Гуки моря плыли в волосах, бережливі хвилі хисталися. Только б зразуміти тебе шукать, не пощадать. Калі завтра згаснуть все ліхтари, ведаю, один для тебе горит. За поволю пульс розуму во сне, пора уставать и снова умирать. Нібито ти, гэта нібито ти, таємний знак, незнайдений артефакт. Слово твоє, усі слово твоє, тлумачим так, незнайдений артефакт, незнайдений. Мы внутри, як крохкие витражи, те зламаные поспробуй збери. Только в небе таится правная тишина. Нібито ти, гэта нібито ти, таємний знак, незнайдений артефакт. Слово твоє, усі слово твоє, тлумачим так, незнайдений артефакт, незнайдений. Незнайдений
Так, вітаю всех на другом дне презентацыі ад Nintendo. Ну, нават не прэзентацыя, гэта проста маленькія такія секцыі, дзе нам паказваюць гульні, якія позаўчора ўжо анансавалі на Nintendo Switch 2. Вось. У нас няма ніякога там раскладу, што будзе, што не будзе, но я спадзяюсь, што сёння ў нас будуць гульні ад партнёраў Nintendo, а дакладна ад From Software. Як мінімум нам пакажуць Elden Ring на Switch другом, таму што, наколькі я памятаю, ён на запуске павінен быць. Зараз чекнем яшчэ раз. О, тут штосьці ўжо пра Duskblot нават вылашылі. Окей. Duskblots нават. Скриншотики новыя і каментары. Мгм. Цікава, цікава. Ну і таксама я вельмі спадзяюсь, што тут будзе Silksong вось 2. Ой, Silksong просто. Сіквел да Hollow Knight. Так. Games. Тыц, тыц. Integrate. Вось. Па-мойму, калі я не памыляюсь, даты няма. Блін. Я думала, што Elden Ring будзе на рэлізе, ну ладно. Ну, на рэлізе кансолі. Но не будзе. Будзе Якудза, будзе Хогвартс 100%. Бонда не будзе. Star Wars, мабыць, будзе. І, дарэчы, я праглядзела Silksong у асноўной прэзентацыі. Вось, на жаль. Silksong там быў, там было 2 секунды. Так, моя вина. Дзе яна? Вось тут вось. Не, не тут. У іншай нарезкі. Вось. Калі каму цікава, вось 6 секунд Silksonga. І пацверджана, што яна выйдзе, ну, намагаецца выйсці ў гэтым годзе, у 25-м. Вось, як-то так. Так, ну што, у нас там 2 хвіліны яшчэ. Чым яшчэ можна паразмаўляць? Я тут знайшла вось поўны спісак бескаштоўных апдэйтаў, тыя гульні, якія будуць заапгрэйджаны на Nintendo Switch 2 бескаштоўна. Вось. І што мне тут падабаецца, гэта Mario Odyssey, Mario 3D World і Bowser's Fury, Зельды вось маленькія, Link's Awakening і Echoes of Wisdom, Pokemon Scarlet і Violet таксама добра, Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe, вось. Таксама крута. Ну, Arms і Капітан Тод я не гуляла, вось, так што не ведаю. Ну, гэта тыя гульні ад Nintendo, якія бескаштоўна можна будзе заапгрэйдзіць на Switch 2. Вось так вось. Так, ну што, гэта і мы ўжо учора пагаварылі. Upgrade Packs. Тыц, тыц. Вось. І некаторыя фізічныя гульні будуць даступныя ў форме ключ-карткі. Ставце картридж, якой на самом справе проста будзе ключом, каб спампаваць гульню на вашу сістэму. І у астатнім функцыянуе як звычайны картридж. Ну, то бок, ну, проста на нём няма гульні, то бок трэба будзе яе спампоўваць заўсёды. Вось. Так, ну што там? Павінна пачацца. Я проста не хачу, каб зноў... Не, всё, пачынаецца. Скрымера не будзе у гэты раз.
Hi everyone! For those of you just tuning in, this is Nintendo Treehouse Live and Nintendo Switch 2. My name is Teresa. I'm joined here by Kendra, BK, and Dutch. We're here to show you Super Mario Party Jamboree, Nintendo Switch 2 plus Jamboree TV. We're going to show you a first look at the content that's exclusive to Nintendo Switch 2. So we've already set up our cameras to kind of
Зараз нам покажуть ексклюзивні міні-гульні для Mario Party Jamboree, яка використовує камеру від Nintendo.
Yeah, I don't know what I didn't set up a camera. I walked into this audience. See, I'm immersed. I'm immersed in the world of this television production.
But it is very kind of in theme because we are.
Yay!
There we are. Look at us.
It's a big crowd today.
It
I
is.
wonder who the participants are going to be.
Gosh, there's a lot of people here. It's hard to say.
All right, Toad is the host of this live performance, looking incredibly dapper with that sparkling bow tie.
So cute.
And there we
are.
Oh, that's us.
Could it be? All right.
All right, let's see. All right, so BK and I are going to be on a team. Who are you going?
I'm going with Boo. Feeling affinity towards Boo.
I'm going Ninja.
Nice.
I think that's a good
that crew.
Look at that crew. That
Yeah, I like this.
misfits.
I like our.
Very
I
good.
love it.
I would party with these people.
You are partying with them.
Yeah.
You can't get out. You can't escape.
I'm immersed in the game.
So with camera play, you're able to see who you're playing.
Ну, пакуль виглядає як класична Mario Party, тільки побач зі своїм персонажем ти бачиш свій лік.
It's hard to remember.
Ось.
Or easy to remember.
Ну, магчыма, казуалам гэта будзе добра, каб не згубіць сябе, свайго персонажа.
So with Jamboree TV, which is again exclusive to Nintendo Switch 2, it features and integrates a lot of the Nintendo Switch 2 features in certain games. So we're going to start with free play.
Good luck, everyone!
And as we're loading into this mode, just really want to quickly re-hit Super Mario Party Jamboree, which was already out for the Nintendo
Free
Switch.
play!
The original game has over 110 mini games, both online and offline modes. But with Jamboree TV, you get additional content, but also you can see how the Nintendo Switch 2 features are integrated into some of those games.
Yeah, the ones we're going to see first here feature the mouse control. So remember that both of the Joy-Con 2 controllers on the Nintendo Switch 2 system have the mouse sensor on the bottom of it. So you can use that to, basically control the game as if you're using a mouse.
Я не ведаю, правильна ли я пачула, што у арыгінальнай вось гэтай Mario Party Jamboree на звычайным свече ўжо больш за 100 міні-гульняў.
Yeah.
Вось.
So these games are
І тут яшчэ
team
больш
battle,
дадасца.
so it will be me and Kendra versus BK and Dutch.
Як в локальнай гульні, так і у
What are you talking about? I have
онлайне.
years of training sorting emails. I should be very good.
I know. We all do.
Yeah.
We should.
Right? Those are
Theoretically.
applicable skills.
Any day at the office, you get
So we'll
started
be,
off.
yeah, so we'll
sorting
be
emails.
sorting emails. We will hold and release the emails with the cursor. The cursors have our little icons of the characters that we're controlling, and we're trying to sort these letters very quickly within the time limit. Whoever wins or manages to sort all the mails first will win. So we'll just get
Let's
into
do it. All right.
I'm like, I believe in us too.
Yeah.
And I'm like, yeah, we don't need a ton of practice because as BK said, it's like all day, every day.
Yeah.
Emails.
Okay, BK,
Feel
I'll
too
take
real.
right side.
So
Okay,
little
I'll take
idiot
left side.
guys. Okay, I'll take.
All right, here we go.
Game on.
So Bowser letters go straight into the garbage. Regular letters go into the folder.
Down. Okay, I'm going to stay on bottom.
Oh,
Okay,
no.
all right.
No.
Oh, and then we've got some new letters coming in.
With this pile over here, this is oh my god.
They look like
Oh,
they're
no.
Valentine's.
All right. Yes.
Holy!
Oh.
Wow, you guys are fast.
All sorted, ready to start the workday.
Як я зрозуміла, гэта новая гульня
Alright,
выкарыстоўвае
well, I
функцыянальнасць
guess
мышкі.
next game.
Ну, джойконы можна выкарыстоўваць як мышкі.
Yeah, I have that
Вот.
We'll get you in the next one.
И
Alright.
It just shows we spent too
сортируем
much time
МХТ письма.
All right, next one is called Stuffy Stacker. So again, team
Наступное
battle.
Стаффи Стакер,
We need to pile up the
что-то
plush
подобное
pieces.
на
Time limit to get
Тетрис.
the tower as tall as possible.
We're building a tower.
Мгм.
Yeah.
О, так
The
само
interesting thing
мишкою
about this one is
гуляємо.
that it's still mouse control, so we're
Мгм.
still,
І тут треба побудувати
chopping the mouse
просто
around like
найвищішу
But in addition to that, we can also
эту
turn
вежу.
our little hands here by just twisting
There you
the
go.
Joy-Con
Yep,
2
yep,
controller.
yep.
So when you grab a piece,
Yep.
you can rotate it by twisting the controller. There we go.
Do that kind of situation. No.
I think-
And then once you build your tower, it has to stay standing for a couple seconds after time runs out.
Yep. All right. I
Let's
think
do
we're
it.
ready.
We're ready.
So
Yes.
let's just go.
Okay. All right.
The game is kind of showcasing
Structural
like,
integrity.
what's your
Structural
strategy?
integrity.
Structural integrity.
Stuffy, squishy,
do it.
structural integrity. Oh, here we go. Okay, let's do this. I like this
Yeah,
one.
okay.
Let's
Yep,
do that.
so that goes like
I'm
that.
gonna go.
That in,
I'm gonna
like
go a little wider here, so we have a wide,
Good call.
wide base. I'm gonna put the shell.
Actually, I'll put
Okay.
Put it-
That's
all
fine,
right.
yep.
Wider base. Wider
Yep,
base.
you know what?
nice,
We're gonna put-
very good.
Okay.
Okay, we're
I'm
gonna
gonna
make
put this.
this
Oh, I'm gonna sit this.
Structural
Oh
integrity
shoot.
at the
What if this
bottom.
one has another?
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
I think
nope.
maybe that'll
Okay, well,
stand.
you know what? I tried. It's fine.
This is all up to code. I'm sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Lean? Maybe a little lean? No, that's not gonna stay.
That's good.
How about a hook right
Oh
here?
yeah. Very good.
Yep.
That's good. That might roll. What if I put this on top?
Yeah,
Nice,
go for it.
nice
Go for it.
and slow. Nice and slow.
Oh,
No,
no. Okay, what do
Okay,
I, how do I?
Yeah.
Here we
Oh,
go.
yeah,
Second.
weigh that down. Weigh that down. That's
I
looking
love the
good.
plushies.
That's looking good. I think.
I like
I think we go
Right,
conservative
right,
here.
right,
Well, that, yeah,
Alright,
star. Oh no, no.
Alright.
Oh no.
Are they taller?
Oh no.
taller.
Wait for it. Yeah. Oh, it's gonna be close.
Oh.
Yoshi Plushy, what are you
Oh,
doing?
man.
Yeah.
No.
Hang in there.
That
Yes,
was
and the star on top.
stolen.
Well done.
I
Go
don't
again.
know.
I'll just,
Well,
I'll just
you
put
know-
this on.
Oh, come on.
I don't think we'll be getting hired to build any towers.
Yeah.
Like, I'm cool with that.
A good foundation requires on stuffies. I don't know if you
I
guys-
love stuffies. They're just very cushiony. I don't think that's.
There's nothing wrong with that. You love what you love. It's good.
All right.
A building can be whatever you want it to be.
It's just too soft. All right.
All right, what are we doing?
Anyway,
Moving on.
next up is Babam Makeover. This one is really, really interesting. I like this one a lot because of how it integrates another feature that's in the Nintendo Switch 2, which is the HD Rumble 2. So the
I like
goal
this one
here.
a lot. Yeah, this one's very satisfying.
The goal here is to paint the Babams, but as you're controlling the
Мгм.
spray
Наступна
can, you
гульня,
actually
окромя
feel
функціонала мишки, ще й використовує функціонал Фетіга. Вібрації новий. Новий,
And then you
другої
shake it
версії,
again to
так
refill,
сказати.
and then you just keep
IG
spraying. So you'll see the bar on the
HD
bottom that way.
вібрації,
That's
пробачте.
That's enough practice.
Yep. Oh, agree. Let's just go.
yeah.
Plus, minus, and
All right.
plus.
See,
Let's
that's how satisfying and immersive it actually is. The whole thing, you just get so caught up in it.
Like, calm down. Calm
Remember, the
down. We
most
gotta get in
important
there.
thing here
Get
is
in
the
there for
blue
real.
paint.
Yeah.
Remember,
No,
blue
red.
paint
talking
everywhere.
about.
No,
It
I-
has to be red.
I heard blue.
Red is the right color, guys.
I heard. If you
Eyes
read,
on the prize.
read the
Eyes on the
instructions. I
prize.
believe they said.
It's in the manual. Yeah.
It's in
Ну і тут треба закрасити
Always
бомби.
read your party manual.
Yeah.
Хто більш
Being
закрасить,
wrong,
то
guys.
і
What did I say? It was supposed to be red.
Incorrect.
Blue.
Incorrect.
Blue. Blue.
Blue is
Refill,
true. Blue is true.
No,
Blue
no,
is
it's
true.
not. No, it's not. No, it's not.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
No.
No.
Refill, refill.
Okay, I'm going for the big one.
I got the little one.
Okay. All right.
I'm staying on this little one.
I'm gonna focus on
Refill.
the big.
No,
Face
Dutch,
here.
you got it all wrong, man.
Oh, one more refill.
No.
Refill. Oh,
No.
the little one.
Nope.
Little one.
Come on, bud. Come on,
Little
bud.
one.
No.
Oh, I kind of abandoned you there on the big one. I don't know if that worked out. I was trying to get both the little
No.
ones.
Oh, those little ones went rogue on us.
All right, let's see. Tally up.
Ooh, that looks
We got
It's time.
Not our best.
4
Okay,
points.
Not our best.
4 points for red. So each little babam
Yes.
counts as
Okay.
a single
Yes.
point.
Yes. Yes.
Nope. It's trending bad. This is trending bad.
Yeah.
All right, all right.
We
Solid,
have to run the
solid,
table on
solid.
here. I don't think we did.
All right, all right, all right. Give
right,
it to us.
moment of
This
Come
one's
on.
worth 20, right?
Oh, we still
all
won. We still won.
We still
Yes.
won.
Yes.
right, well played.
Oh,
well played.
guys, look, the crown looks so good on us.
You can't judge art, guys.
Yeah.
It's all subjective. And
I
we
mean,
know
I
that
do
blue is the
agree.
correct answer anyway.
Oh, I see.
So next up is Domino Effect. So for this one, we are going to line up dominoes to go from point A to point B, so left to right. Once you start, and you kind of like strategize with your partner on where you want to place
Домино
those
зараз
dominoes
буде.
while avoiding the obstacles.
Треба буде
And
будувати
then
доміно.
once you're ready, you're gonna hit that toad, so then the dominoes start falling.
Yeah, don't forget
Heart,
the
my
toe
heart
tap.
rate's going. I mean, the spray can, yeah.
Good art elicits a response.
Yeah,
and,
it's
an
true.
emotional reaction.
So I think we should just start.
Okay.
Because
Yeah,
We're basically just grabbing, and this has
I
the
don't want
same
you
thing
guys
where
to
you.
get an advantage for practicing.
Oh, wow.
Press the plus and minus button.
I just want to point out that you can
Gotcha.
rotate the pieces too. That's
Yeah.
all. All right.
It's true.
All right, I'm ready.
It's actually integral here.
Um,
Because you want to avoid the hazards and
Right.
follow
Okay.
the
You got to
path
kind of
around
angle
I'll take-
them.
I kind of want to
Left.
take left, but
Прабачце, калі я багата не каментую, але тут просто насамрэч нечага каментаваць. Вы ўсё бачыце, гэта, ну, звычайныя мінігульні Маріо Паці. Вось.
Away from that.
Ну, незвычайныя, новыя, но яны так распрацованы, што тут ты просто
I'm tapping. Oh, I'm tapping. I'm tapping.
go, go, go,
I'm tapping. Get that last one in there.
I can't. No!
што тут ты просто можаш пабачыць, тут вельмі ўсё наглядна. Нават амаль нечага перакладаць.
I think it's all about the early nudge.
Yeah.
The early nudge.
The early nudge.
It's,
Get
that's,
in there with that early nudge.
it's a pro Dutch strat. I don't know if you guys. I learned from a master.
Right. Next up is shell hockey.
Ooh, okay.
So the easiest way to describe this is
Chaos.
air hockey.
Oh, air hockey. Sorry,
Right,
that's
yeah.
you're right. No, right. But also a little chaos.
So much chaos.
Air hockey with chaos. I think I like that descriptor.
Yeah.
Yeah,
it's like-
it starts off as
Okay,
air
we're not
hockey, and then it turns into something much more
No
terrifying.
Very good.
practicing.
No practicing.
Okay, no practice.
Get out of there.
Let's
I just had to
go.
get that.
Let's go. All right, I'll
Have
take.
it.
I'll take.
You'll take
I'll do
This
this.
does look. I wish I could get in one of these in real life.
Yes.
All right. Looking out.
All right.
Okay, Dutch,
Buckle
my
up,
strategy
G.
here is let's win.
Okay, winning. Winning? Okay.
No
Oh,
winning,
oh,
losing for you
oh.
guys.
No, oh
Get
my
out of
goodness.
here.
Oh.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Okay.
Nice, sorry. Oh, there we go. Oh, I missed. Oh.
That was a close one.
Nice. All right.
It's like being on the jump. What's wrong?
I don't know. What is it?
Oh.
There you
Ну
go.
да, класічний аерохокей. Ну, зараз просто звычней будзе гэта ўсё гуляць. Потому што можна прям джойкон паставіць на паверхнасць твёрдую
Come on, that corner. Every time.
і кіраваць лепей будзе.
Hey,
Oh my goodness.
Get
Everything
all of
fine.
it in. All of it in.
Front line, front line, front line.
I can't tell what's happening.
keep going.
Oh my
Keep
goodness.
going.
Oh. Oh.
You-
Uh-oh, this is not. There we go, there we go.
No.
Oh.
Oh no, it's through here.
Ooh, nice.
Sorry, just kind of going back.
Oh,
No.
Oh.
oh, that was a jumbo.
Come
That was pretty close.
Yeah, you know what? No, that was actually well played. This one's so good.
I know, and I'm like, hey, we've played these before.
I know.
We've won. You
Yeah.
It's all right.
Yeah, it's just the disadvantage of them ganging up on us and planning a strategy. before.
Yeah.
Come on,
Well, you're becoming the people's champion. I think that's the real victory.
I'll take it. All right, so we're gonna now kind of steer away from the mouse control mini games and kind of look at two additional mini games that integrate the camera play. These are really fun. We'll start with free for all.
All right.
There we go.
This one is quite a lot.
І зараз уже іншая немного гульня без гэтага кіравання мышкай,
We're not gonna practice.
но яна інтэгрыруе больш камеры.
So we're gonna try to knock down as many thwomps by pressing the button as fast as we can. So let's go.
Okay.
Come on.
Man, who is that? I can hear how fast you're going. It terrifies me.
Ну пакуль гэта проста як гэта button mashing.
That wasn't me. It wasn't me. It wasn't me.
All right, we'll see what happens.
Go, 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 go.
Oh.
Amazing.
Oh, wow. 90.
I'd like to thank my sweaty
man.
hands.
It was you that pressed the.
I did not press the pause button.
That was very
See,
strategic. Very
Kane, those dirty tricks.
Yeah, we know what happened.
Not I said the.
All right. All right. All right. Well, next up then is Sunset Station.
Well then.
You know what?
What do you think? Who's gonna be? Who's gonna
It's
be?
yeah,
gonna
it's gonna
be
be-
me. You know why, BK? I'm gonna tell you why. Because I want to take you out.
Oh no! Oh no!
Let's go. Come on.
Me?
So this is 1 versus 3. Really interesting where the player
Мгм.
that
У гэтай
is
гульні
controlling the
адзін
bullet bill has
супраць
to take
трох
out the other
гуляе.
3. So it gets really challenging because
Right, we're ready though.
Yeah, I'll just get
Не кіруе гэтай
It's
вялікай
challenging
куляй.
because you have to call their bluff.
I really like
So
this
let's see
one.
if I do a good job. I have 5 rounds to do it.
I
So
believe
let's
in
go.
you, but also I need to believe in us because
Yeah.
I just need to stay away
I
from BK
imagine
because
it's
I know
terrifying.
he's got
Stay away.
I
tight,
imagine
so-
it's terrifying seeing my face come at you.
At the moment, yes. I feel like I've earned your ire.
Come on, buddy.
Teresa, I'm
going
gonna
left.
stay in the
He's
middle.
going left.
Stay in the middle. Stay in the middle.
Boo.
No!
Oh,
wow.
I made my goal.
Mission
That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted.
okay. Okay, Dutch, we gotta stay apart because
Oh no.
Oh,
Stay
nice.
together.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Stay together.
How many? We have
I
2
need
left?
you to stay
2 left.
together. Come on.
you left. Oh boy. Okay.
I'm going left. I'm going middle. I'm going left. I'm going right. Left, right.
Oh,
No!
Yeah. All right.
No.
It's all on you, Kendra.
Gotta hang in there. You just gotta hang in there.
Oh man.
Just you and me. Come on, be a
Right.
gal and just
Go, Kendra. Go, Kendra.
I'm so
just
scared.
stay. Just
Scared.
stay. Just
Scared.
stay.
Oh, there it is. Well done.
Ah,
Well
incredible.
done.
So
Incredible.
scared. So shy.
All right, fine.
She got beat.
It's fair. I got
You know-
BK. That's all I wanted.
That's right, yeah, you got it.
I'm still a winner.
I was asking
Still a
for it.
winner. All right. Well, we got to show a little bit of the minigame, so we're going to go back to the studio now and show another mode that's exclusive to the Nintendo Switch too. So,
Yep.
We saw a little bit of this
setting
one
it up.
in the direct. We can take a
Так,
look at it here. This is
тепер
Bowser
буде
Live,
якось
and this one's
новий
actually gonna
режим,
use the
ексклюзивний для
built-in
Nintendo
microphone
Switch
on
2.
the Nintendo Switch 2 system and the camera. So we're not actually gonna use the Joy-Con 2
Вось,
controllers.
вось я думала, яны гэта пакажуць, што
Microphone and
выкарыстоўвае
Yeah, a lot of
прям камеру.
yelling, a lot of moving your
А, і
body.
мікрафон.
Always limber up before you go to any party is my rule, so I feel like I'm
Do
ready
some
for this.
yoga.
Yeah.
You know?
TV.
Party yoga.
Party yoga while screaming.
Live TV party yoga. It's the latest
Screaming
trend.
yoga.
I
is gonna
love
be a
your
new thing.
descriptions for this. This is again going to be 2 teams. Red team versus blue team. Red team will be me and Kendra. Blue team will be
Мгм.
me and Dutch.
Знову поділяємося на 2 команди, 2 на 2.
We're in the crowd.
Yeah.
The Yodas, the Buzz, and the Toads.
I'm excited to be here.
Yeah. I hope he plays stuff off his second album. I think it's his best one. The third got a little
He's so much better.
too avant-garde for me. I don't know.
You got amazing seats too.
Alright, front row
How much
seats.
were our tickets?
I think they were comped.
Close to the front.
Oh, we are ready.
fun.
We are ready.
Вітаю, нам додамо. Так, гляжу на гэта ўсё.
You'll get extra points for calling
Окей.
me out.
I'm just being honest.
Ну, як я ўжо казала, спадзяюсь, што сёння будзе не толькі гульні вось ад Nintendo, а і іншыя, таму што ўжо скончваюцца у нас гульні ад Nintendo, якія ўчора былі анансаваны, не ўчора, позаўчора.
Oh, who's he gonna pick? I hope he picks us.
Учора многа паказалі.
No way. Oh my goodness.
I am lucky.
Yeah. We are on stage. Oh,
All right, Bowser.
It's best 2 out of 3 mini games here.
У гэтай міні-гульні перамагае той, хто перамог,
what's it gonna be?
Hitting it
Red.
Very good.
казаць,
I like
All right.
Okay. I know we're
2
all
гульні з 3, карацей.
exhale,
All
prepare.
right. So we're going to try to hit the question mark block as fast as we can within the time frame to get as many coins as we can. So here we go.
Okay, we're ready.
Oh, we get. There it is.
Мгм. Ну і тут треба віртуально удаляюць па гэтым
This
кубікам,
is actually another
there it
Mario
is.
Dream real
хто
life.
хутчэй.
Oh, come on. Oh my goodness.
You get 41 more coins.
That's my only retirement savings. So please give me this.
You better not spend it.
All right.
telling you right now.
We got 2 more. Let's see what
Okay.
we got next.
We're very warmed up.
Oh yeah.
We're very warm.
Like I said, always limber
I'm
up.
sweating. Yeah. Oh, I like
Okay,
this.
I like this
All
one.
right.
This is
Yes,
good.
all
I
right.
do like this one. Here we go.
Yeah, because we just showed it in the clip, so now you get to see it live with our
us.
faces. Yeah.
Угу.
All right, so we're
Тепер
gonna stack
на
as
баланс.
mini Goombas as our head. It's not about the height of the Goomba tower, but more of keeping all of them on the pedestal. So here we go.
They are a little sticky though, which helps.
Угу. Тут головне не стільки много назбирати, а утримати їх.
Get along up there. Get along up there. Get along up there. Oh, no.
Stay.
Oh,
No!
God.
No! No! My Goombas!
We did
Oh, we did it!
Thanks
This is
to
very
you.
good.
I lost so many at the very
I
end.
was losing
Я
a
так вчора на
bunch of
хвилинку
them.
зайшов, там просто геймплей був, некий Марио. Так? Там було много Марио Карт World нового. Навіть двічі показали, то був на початку стріма і у середині. І те ж саме Донкі Конга нового. Початок гульні повністю показали і узровень з середини. Ось.
Show me everything you got.
All right, let's do it.
І Маріо, ой, яке Маріо, Metroid Prime 4 так само, там 14 хвилин геймплея показали, і початок весь. Там такой прям, як у стилі старих шутерів, де все взривається, просто епік. Ну, короче, кому не хапало Хейла, старого Хейла маю на увазі, відрознюється чомусь від інших часток. Чимось від інших часток. Mario Kart, так, там зробили Open World. Вось. То бок не толькі вось звычайныя гонкі, но і Open World, і з-за гэтага там новы рэжым з'явіўся гэтага а-ля раллі праз весь кантынент. Вось. Ну і Open World яны падглядзелі, мне здаецца, у Forza Horizon. Там є сайт-квесты, є всякие таємниці, то бок ти не просто там їздиш по трассам, по дорогам. Вось.
No, you can't do this.
Ну і 24 гэтых іграка, гульца. Вось, гонкі. Максимум будзе.
All right.
Oh wow, yeah.
Oh my
That was
goodness.
That was fun, guys.
that was fun. Good game.
Yeah.
Very
We
good.
gotta wait
А у Donkey Kong там зробили повністю Levolution, можна знішаць весь узровень, землю під собою копать прям до низа. Вось.
You there?
Знову Mario Kart? Або я б дрэнна пачула. Яна зараз сказала. Так, ладно, мы гэта мьютим, таму што, прабачце, но Nintendo мінулую трансляцыю не забаніла, но магла. Вось. Мы паслухаем пакуль. Што паслухаем? Або я пакуль покажу прикольна добрага стрыму. Всё, ты пойдзеш. Добра тады. Да пабачэння. Ну, я ўсё роўна пакажу, господі. Вось, 20 хвілін новага Donkey Konga. І гэта толькі другая частка. Була яшчэ першая
piece
спачатку.
of the terrain with
Yeah,
him.
I like that because it shows that all these enemies can also deform the terrain around you.
That is a giant chunk of stone you've got there.
Like that. Bye.
Really helpful. Did you punch upwards for
I
that?
sure did.
Oh my gosh.
I just
Look
love
at
the
that.
animation of this. It's so good.
I think that one could last you the entire level if you wanted.
Here's okay. So since I'm holding this convenient giant chunk of stone, this concrete slab here is actually too tough for DK to punch right through on his own. So go there.
так
You
ось.
think that would fill up his belly, but no, he's always hungry. One thing I want to talk about early, we also talked about this in the earlier segment if you missed it, but there's all these hidden pockets everywhere
Доброго
in all the
відпочинку.
different layers and levels of this game,
Right.
including this one. So I want to go ahead and demonstrate that now. Like we can actually just go ahead and punch our way down here.
Ось, можна просто униз під
Yes,
собі.
we
And
really
away
want
we
to.
go.
We really want to stress how
Подкопать.
important it is and how fun it is to just dig tunnels wherever you can, because you never know what is waiting
Ooh, yeah.
for you.
Speaking of,
Perfect. You
Little
found
pocket right
something.
here.
Yeah.
There we go.
break through the floor here.
There we go.
All right.
Waiting behind door number one.
Щось знайти.
A banana.
Oh, banana.
That's 4 bananas in a row.
Ось так. Тут яшчэ нічога не пачалось. Ой. Что ще вчора показали Зельд заапгрейджених на новий Switch. Drag X-Drive, гульню таку, як казати, командну, ну, на ARMS чимсь нагадує, но тільки для гэтага, для нових джойконів, для їх функціоналу мишки.
Welcome back.
Вось. Угу. Уже
Have
почалось.
learned about this mode yet. Knockout Tour is an intense
А, Mario
24
Kart
driver
World.
transcontinental
World.
nonstop rally where drivers get
так,
eliminated
World.
at each checkpoint. So you
Знов
want to try to
красиво
keep
Mario
up with the
Kart.
pack and be there at the finish line. So before we jump in, do you guys want to let the viewers know who you're racing as?
Sure.
Oh, I'll start. I am Penguin on a little cute bike.
And I'm gonna be Cow.
Goomba.
Угу. А, ну тут новая мапа.
All right, and we are kind of in the multiplayer lobby here right now, which is basically a version
І так
of free
виглядає
roam mode. So you
мультиплеєрне
can see all of our
лобі.
players gathered here. If you play this game online, you can have up to 24 online drivers. Today we're going to be playing 4 human racers and 20 CPUs. So what do you say we jump in?
Yeah,
get
let's
in
do
there.
it. Do
Мгм.
it. So,
Ну,
in the
як я
previous
казала,
segment, we showed
24
2, but
гульця
this time we're
можуть
gonna
гуляти
show 4,
онлайн
so there's gonna be
одночасово.
a little bit more of a chaos.
It's
We're-
going to be very
Yeah,
chaotic.
yeah.
Let's be
Одної
honest.
гонки.
It's, you know.
So we set at 150 cc, and calm difficulty is gonna be kept as hard. We'll see how we all make it. So Godspeed, everyone.
I think
Yeah.
we'll each make it to the final 4.
Best wishes
Best
to,
wishes.
to each of us. Over to the.
So we'll
Got
do
it.
Golden Rally.
Okay.
Cow is ready. That excitement. Bounce.
I mean,
Joyful.
Cow was born ready. Cow has big dreams, big goals. I only hope I can do Cow justice.
So you see the map on the right. That is the full race we're going to be going through. Right in the middle, we're going to be visiting Moo Moo Meadow, so you can say hi to your family there.
My friends.
All right. Here goes nothing.
Here it goes.
All right, we'll start with the rolling start here. And at the bottom right, you're going to see a notice that everyone needs to just be in the top 20 or better once you reach the checkpoint.
Off-roading me.
All right, give me something good.
Ну, так як гэта вельмі длинная гонка, і то, каб гульцы, які дрэнна гуляюць всю вось гэты там 15 хвілін, якая яна будзе ісці, не тащіліся напрыканцы, у кожнай, як гэта, у кожнай часткі трека є чекпоінт, і калі ты вось зараз прыйдзеш, ну, карацей, далей толькі 20-й прыязджае. Вось, то бок калі ты там ідзеш 21-м, і ты там яшчэ пазаду, то для цябе гульня скончыцца. То бок ты павінен дайсці да першага чекпоінту, як мінімум 20-м. І потым гэта месца будзе павышацца, і напрыканцы апошні адрэзак будзе там толькі топ-3 ўжо
Come on, Cow.
змагацца. Вось.
Incoming.
Oh, Waluigi stole all of the item
All right,
boxes.
let's go, Cal.
Come on.
That Mega Motion, yeah.
Get out of
Giant.
here. Go.
As if Cal wasn't big enough.
Cow.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so we're reaching the first
Yep.
threshold here.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Excuse me. Pardon me.
So that rainbow kind of perimeter on the border there let you know that you were nearing that checkpoint. Everyone made it safely. So in the bottom right of each screen, you can see
I just
6
saw
or
you
better.
fall.
Heart is pounding.
Yeah, this
Right.
is very intense.
I thought the last segment where we destroyed BK and Dutch was sweaty.
Yeah, no kidding.
Look at this cow penguin
Get out of
grinding.
here!
No! Ah! How dare you? Sorry, pardon.
Oh,
All right.
Oh my
all right.
gosh.
Again, all you need to make is 16th or better to move on.
Oh my gosh. Who did double
Угу. І ось перший чекпоінт пройшов, і зараз, як бачите, їм треба прийти як мінімум 16-ми.
No.
That's all you're gonna hear from us, folks.
Ну ось,
Cow.
ось тут корова, і вона йде 20-те, то бок може
You're
вилетіти зараз.
gonna get some, hopefully some great items.
Yeah,
back
no,
there.
that's happening.
This
It's
mushroom
happening.
is great. You got the bullet bill up next.
Oh
Come
no.
on. Oh, all
Let's
these
go,
cars
let's go,
are in
let's
the way.
go.
А ні, 16-те, 14-те наганяє.
Okay. All right.
Making it
Fine.
Окей, пінгвінчик тоді.
Goomba's doing pretty well with no
15th.
hands over in third.
Yeah. How does he do it?
Goomba's the underdog with the underbite.
А, принцеса Піч зараз.
Oh my gosh.
Близько до виліта 18-те.
Oh, oh, rude. No.
Yeah.
Sam.
Didn't
All right, we're
do
getting
that.
close. Yep.
I don't believe
I believe
you.
І я не на харді
Okay,
зараз
let's get up
гуляю.
there. 16th or better. You got it.
Oh no. I don't.
19-те, 20-те.
Do it.
They're not giving me anything
Nope, nope,
good to
nope.
catch
Just
up with.
you got it. You got it. Oh no, do a trick.
No.
Oh my goodness. Please. Are your hearts counting? Because
So
yeah,
close.
I gotta say.
Come on.
my-
18-те.
Oh, our first. Thank you. Well, we'll say you did that intentionally to join me in the commentary.
Yeah,
my
you know,
goodness.
when it's this many human players and the CPUs
Ось
are
перший
really playing their
гулець
best
вилетів.
game.
Penguin, pardon me. It's okay.
And if you just
And
don't get the
nobody.
right items, it's really difficult.
All right.
We played this enough to know that anything can happen in this
It's
mode.
so true.
Yeah.
It really is. Oh, Rana.
Second place, I miss you.
Sam, I feel like third. I haven't looked at your screen the whole time. But I feel
Тепер
like third. Okay, there we
12-й.
go.
Ну,
Second,
тут
you're
всі
right.
добре йдуть, як я
I
бачу.
don't know where
Looks
Mario
like
is.
it's Mario.
Тільки коли корова тормозне, ну або її виб'ють.
Is that actually DK joining from the other room?
Yeah, right. Yeah.
All right, give me something good. Oh, rude.
Nice use of the boomerang there.
You guys
Where
have
the
got to
heck
do
is
something to catch
Mario?
up to Sam.
He does have a good lead there, but somebody needs to fire a spiny shell. I
Well, it's
feel
time
like.
for the
Yeah,
Goomba's
no
revenge.
kidding.
I'm coming for Mario.
Yeah.
Пінгвінчик,
All
ні.
right. Moo.
Moo?
Одна, нормально.
Moo out of the way.
My bad.
All
They're
right.
cheering you on.
You are with your people now. In
Okay.
Green Meadows.
Oh yeah.
All right, everyone is looking pretty good for this segment. You're moving on,
Oof, Usa.
and the cutoff goes now to top 8 or better.
Sam, I see
You
you.
all seem safe at the
Stay
moment,
away.
but
I
anything can
see
happen.
you,
Stay away,
sir.
stay away.
Yeah, confidence is a dangerous feeling.
I know. I'm like, don't get too confident, anybody.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, all
Goomba
right.
checking
Here I
out the
thought you
little
were
power
just
lines
driving
here.
off the road to.
No.
Did the cow
If I,
get you?
if I could get away from all of your items, maybe.
Yeah.
That was my strategy
All
here.
right, cows in the road.
Spike throwing some more obstacles.
Goomba spends so much time on the ground. I like
No.
to think that, like,
No.
Yeah.
That's gotta be
I
thrilling.
a different
But-
view for.
Yeah. Oh.
Ah! Please.
So again, don't fret. You're only about halfway through the segment, so
No,
halfway, plenty of time for.
Oh my goodness.
getting
Plenty
back.
of time to catch up.
No.
I mean-
oh my goodness.
Sam, I don't know what happened.
My somewhat
need
comfortable lead disappeared
I
in
know.
an instant.
All right. As long as someone's gonna make
Oh,
it,
cow,
right?
yeah, you're gonna get some good items here. I believe. Okay.
Oh, that
Please.
banana.
Don't jinx it.
Oh, that coin.
I love the coin shell.
That coin shell got me.
No.
Oh my god.
Ah,
Indra's having some really
no.
rough luck. Oh, wow, things are not looking good for our hero.
Oh, this course is
No,
so
they're
tough.
As we
This
enter
part,
Mario's
yep,
But
there
there-
it is.
Again,
No.
as long as they're getting those question blocks and not getting
Зараз
too
8-й
far.
вилітає.
Oh, no.
Ну,
I know. It's like
8-й і
Side turns are not good on
медлі,
cows.
Not
медленній.
good on cow. Use your momentum, like, right? Your momentum.
А ні, 9-й вилітає. 9-й після.
No.
Угу, корова зараз може вилізти.
Oh,
I
no.
missed it. No.
Oh, no, yeah, you did. Oh.
І Гумба. Угу.
It's up to you, Teresa.
All right.
Teresa, you got it. You got it. Yes.
Go for it.
You can do it. You can do it.
Oh, that almost landed.
Behind.
All right.
We were just like. in it
Залишився
back
тільки
there.
пінгвінчик.
But now you're aiming for 4th or better, Teresa.
I
Oh,
believe in you. We
that's
believe in you. You got it. You got it.
Penguin's got this.
Penguin can do it. Where cow did not make it, Penguin can.
We want to see Penguin wear the crown.
All right. No pressure, right?
No, none at all.
Nice.
Nice, nice, nice.
Nice using that.
Golden mushroom.
Oh yeah, get the double. Make sure to get the double. Yeah,
There you
There
go.
you go.
Perfect.
right where you want them.
You're in a good position.
You're about
You're in a really good
3/4 of the way through.
No pressure.
Get the double again. Make sure to use all those items. I'm totally backseat
I
driving
know,
right now.
Corey.
Catching up to Mario.
Oh yeah.
finally.
Oh yeah. Look.
Finally.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Probably gonna need to land one of these.
Oh,
Oh,
Yeah.
and that is Mario Kart.
Giant. Get over here.
Don't lose your cool, Teresa. You got it.
Got it.
Oh
Come
Oh,
on.
you got it. Yep. Up on the right.
no! Ah,
Okay.
all right, that's fine.
Alright, nice,
That's
nice.
fine. All right, now, right where you want. Now it's just the final
Now go
segment.
for the goals.
Угу, все, опошний сегмент. А,
We're all in it for
топ-4
paintball.
тут.
We're all
Мгм.
here for you. We're supporting you.
This course is so much fun with all these little leaves and mushrooms and plant stems.
It's awesome. Yeah, and if you get up on them, then you can do a little jump. Yep.
Some good air.
Nice. Yep.
Yep.
Good job. I'm off-roading.
And a lot of the plant stems are rails that you can ride on.
Get those coins. Good job.
Yeah.
Oh, these the turns.
It's okay.
Oh, there we
Oh.
go.
You're good.
Oh, look at those.
A beautiful combo.
Yes. Good
Good
item.
stuff.
Oh
Final
my
turn,
God.
though.
Yes.
Final turn.
Get big, get big.
Oh, all right.
Oh my gosh, but you know what? Penguin is super happy.
Yeah, he's
Yeah. Wow.
I'm just
Top
glad
four,
at
though.
least
Top four.
one of us made
Yeah,
it to the end
that
of that.
was-
agreed. That was
the hope.
that was great. That was intense again. So a sample of Knockout Tour. You kind of get a sense of how intense and unpredictable it can
Yes.
be. One moment you're at the top, the next you have just missed a cutoff, and
You're
you're
joining the chaos.
Yep.
Definitely.
Yep. And we were showing, of course, just kind of that standard, kind of out of the box experience of Knockout Tour.
Мгм.
But,
І
I'd
гэта
like to
самый
show a little bit
стандартный
of what
экспириенс
Mario Kart
режима
World can
Knockout
look like
Tour.
playing with game chat as well. So we played a little bit recently, and we're going to join
А тепер
a
ми
race
покажемо вам,
mid-match
як,
showing
наприклад,
what
можна
game chat
гуляти у
is
Mario
like
Kart
when
з
playing
допомогою
Mario Kart World. So
геймчату
let's take a look.
і розмовляти з сябрами.
Oh, who tossed that? Oh, cow
Might have been
boomerang?
me. Might have been me.
I'm gonna boomerang right back at you, cow.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Oh, no.
Hello.
Get through.
Aggressive.
Насамрэч, я толькі што падумала, што яны ж не
I
выходзяць
just
раней
made that
за
cutoff.
E3, ну, за Summer
Oh, really?
Game Fest. То бок,
Thanks to a
яны
boomerang
так зараз
that fell
паказваюць,
through
як
at me.
быццам
Was it you or
гэта,
was it
ну,
different
раней,
guy?
як быццам так на E3
That was
паказвалі.
definitely me. I'm
Кансоль,
sorry.
гульні, вось гэтае ўсё.
It's just like whatever is the nearest
І
target.
я вось толькі што падумала, а E3 ж няма.
Oh.
Like one
І
of the
нават
other
Summer
mini
Game
cows.
Fest, яны проста не паспяваюць, яны перад ім выходзяць. Ну, кансоль релізіцца.
You know, they were there before we got here.
Па гэтаму мы зараз так багата бачым геймплею ўсяго. Ну, проста гэта незвычайна пасярэдзіне года, ладно, пасярэдзіне года, но не ў сезон гэтых всіх прэзентацый. Бачыць такое.
Ooh, all right, we are about what 2/3 of the way through this segment, so trying to near the front of the pack here. I think we're all up there-ish as I say that.
Oh, why?
I just got
Penguin?
passed by Kendra. Oh, here we go.
No, why though? I barely was there. Come on.
That's when you're glad you're not in first.
Oh man. Certainly not now. Oh my gosh, I went off-roading. I wanted to do pit stop.
Same.
That was terrible. Blast through.
Go, Teresa, you got it.
Oh, no, I'm not gonna make it, guys.
Oh, no.
No! It's okay. I will now comment on what you guys are doing. We will
Yeah, now
do
you
a
can
picture.
actually focus on our screens a little bit more.
Угу.
I need to make
Тут
a super
уже
or I'm gonna get cut.
Терезу вибили з гонки.
I got Kendra, you're not
Yeah.
too far behind. You're in a good spot. I'm worried about
О,
Sam.
ну і
back
ти
there. He's
можеш
gonna get
бачиш,
amazing items.
де твої
Next,
сябри,
Sam's on 6.
хто там
Kindred
третій,
third.
хто шостий
Getting close to
під
that
час
cutoff.
гульні.
Oh yeah, Kindred, Corey, you guys are neck to neck.
Penguin! Penguin taking the crown. There's like
So
a
my
strategy here where
screen-
I'm wondering
my
if I should
screen
hang on to
since-
the protection or...
I don't want that mushroom. Don't get that banana.
So my screen, I'm
Oh.
spectating, and I'm able to
Oh no!
see everybody's cameras will rotate through
Oh,
whoever's
I should
first.
not. I do not deserve this right now
No.
after that fall.
I'm joining the ranks of the spectators.
Oh, is it
О,
just
Сем
Kendra
так
and I?
само
Is it
вибив, вийшов з
Yeah.
гонки.
Oh
Good
man!
luck.
Two comms. All right,
Двоє залишилось.
Kendra, we can't lose to the CPU.
Okay, yeah, we got it for
Мгм.
sure. We got
Ну,
it.
і остатніх
Keep it
это
real
комп'ютерні гонщики, NPC.
Need some items. Oh, I don't know about these items. Come on.
I'm Spike.
Oh,
Look
if
at me.
Kinder can hold on to that super horn.
Yeah, I'm like,
I
I can
know.
just catch up.
It's the final
No.
stretch.
Oh, Penguin.
Oh, what'd you got?
Penguin
Kendra
won.
second.
Penguin! I had my sights on Penguin. I
Гэта
was
раз
there
корова
with the horn, I
другая
was ready,
пришла.
but
I
Penguin
wanted to
just-
say you were the
It's very
first
good
of
to
the
И я
humans,
просто и
but
персонажа
you're
ее
also a
называю.
cow, so
Я не
that
называю
feels
никого.
awkward.
Ни в коем
Defeated by
разе.
the Penguin. Good match, everyone. What do you say we get head back to the lobby really quickly in free roam and at least get a quick photo together?
Let's
Yeah.
do it.
Yeah.
All right.
Угу.
Let's
І
see. I
ось
think
тепер
we're
вони
all-
повертаються у лобі,
same
у
area
очинений
here.
світ.
I'll take the photo.
What a
Ось.
crew. Look at this.
All right, let's commemorate our match here.
Band of misfits over here.
А, є фотомод
Feel
одразу.
free to wave with ZL if you want.
Угу, є
And I
емоти.
will snap it here.
Можна помахати.
There we go. Nice. Cool. So this was a quick preview of a little bit of game chat and how game chat works with Nintendo Switch 2 and Mario Kart World. We're going to kick it back to the live stream. Thanks for watching.
Угу, гэта ми зараз глядели
Alright.
запись.
Thank you.
І
That was
повертаємося у студію.
again, a little bit of a preview of what game chat looks like when playing Nintendo Switch 2 games. That, of course, couch co-op experience that can be brought to life in an online chat session. That said, we're going to sign off here from the Mario Kart World segment. And up next, we've got Bravely Default Flying Fairy HD Remaster. So thanks for watching.
Наступне Bravely Default першы ремастер. І гэта добры знак, таму што гэта гульня не ад самой Nintendo, а ад партнёраў, ад Square Enix. Гэта значыць, што пасля гэтага, мабыць, мы пабачым іншыя гульні, напрыклад, можам Кіберпанк на свічы паглядзець, як ён там выглядае. Вось, я спадзяюсь, так, Nintendo, не бань мяне. Прашу цябе. Вось. Ну так, калі я глядзела, мне прям асеніла такая: пачакайце, так яны да Summer Game Fest выходзяць. І таму мы зараз проста бачым гэта длінныя прэзентацыі, якія звычайна былі на E3 або на Summer Game Fest. Ну, у Nintendo ніколі, па-мойму, не было на Summer Game Fest, но point у тым, што яны запускаюць кансоль. А у нас з ковида не было запуска новой консоли. Вау. Якой прям... Ну, точнее, в 2020 запустились PlayStation 5 и Xbox Series X, но тады увогуле отменили E3 и не было нічога. Дзіўна як. Ладненько. Тады ў нас таксама музычная паўза будзе, толькі не музыка ад Nintendo, а блін. Прабачце. Вы бачылі Spotify весь гэты час, так? Ай, якой жах. Вітаю, Яська. У нас тут показали п'ю воды, так. Зараз я зроблю ось так. О, так яна крутая. Хто крутая? Маріо Паті? Джамбілі? Так, попила воды. А, песня, так. Карацей, показали Mario Party Jamboree версію для Nintendo Switch 2, новые міні-гульні і яшчэ показали Mario Kart зараз навалілі. Вось. І зараз у нас будзе гульня ад Square Enix, Bravely Default 1 Remastered, або ремейк. Ну, по-моему, ремастер. Вось. Так што гэта добрый, добрый знак, таму што я тады спадзяюсь, што іншыя гульні ад партнёраў Nintendo сёння будуць. Пасля Bravely Default. Што-нибудь накшталт, я не ведаю. Я тут чуть-чуть зраблю, каб не забыць. Напрыклад, якой-нибудь кіберпанк. Магчыма. Ну, Хогвартс Легаси не хочу, не цікаво. Ну, конечно, The Dusk Bloods. Гэта все чакаюць, но The Elden Ring хутчэй пабачым, так, чым так, Dusk Bloods. О, вось, і тут выйшла інтэрв'ю з Міядзакі наконт Dusk Bloods. Я яго яшчэ не чытала, но могу зараз хутенька праглядзець. Так, ну мы ведаем, хто такой Міядзакі. Ён же мультики рисуе, так? Угу. Так, Яська, все. Мы все ведаем. Угу. Давно ён запічыў Dusk Blood, то бок гэта не новая ідэя. Ну, не новая, не хутка зробленая гульня. Nintendo была зацікаўлена у праекце. Ну ладно, зараз.
HD remaster. I'm super excited for this one. It's a classic RPG, turn-based RPG style.
То есть классичная покроковая RPG. Яна выйшла ў 2014 годзе на Nintendo 3DS, або на DS нават. Вось. І выйшаў сиквел Bravely Default 2 на Nintendo Switch. Ён у мяне є, но я не гуляла.
I love RPGs, so I'm so excited to be showing this. So we're standing outside of Ansheim, yeah?
World Map, картка свету.
we're on one screen, right? From being on 3DS2 screens, it's been fully optimized to be on
3DS, ось,
Yeah,
на
that's a big
3DS.
difference.
І вона вийшла.
And right away you can see just how colorful everything is. And yeah, I'm like, maybe we go right in there.
Let's go ahead.
Мгм,
Get
якое
right into
все
Airtime.
яскраве.
You can see as we get into the town here, it's updated graphics and visuals, but it's still got that same kind of like storybook art style that looks so cool, especially in the towns. The towns are
Yeah, and the way it
Яны
was zoomed out
захавалі
just then, we'll do that in the
арт-стиль,
various
як
cities
быццам
where if you stand
гэта
still for a moment or
кніга
zoom out, so you can really
казачная.
appreciate it. And I do want to do just a little bit of setup because some people, I'm sure, quite a few people have played the original, but for those of you who haven't, we are starting out with, if we can hop into the menu for just a second, we're starting out with Tiz, Agnes, Adia, and Ringabel.
Для тих, хто не гуляв у оригінал, ось наша паті Тіз, Агнес, Адія і Рингабел.
Because this big chasm opened up and they're kind of trying to figure out what is going on, and then we have a little fairy friend.
И по сюжете отчинилась великая бездна, и мы намагаемся дознаться, что там здарилось, чему яна отчинилась.
Switch jobs at any time, so there's up to 24 jobs.
Мы можем свитчить классы персонажа своего головного героя.
It's so cute. Yeah, and
В любой
when you
момент
change jobs and you have those various
Тиза
outfits and looks, you'll have those in the cutscenes and in the battles and everything. So
і
it's pretty
гэты
cool.
воблік персонажа захоўваецца і ў катсцэнах. Таму што ну, яны па-ангельску называюцца jobs, праца, но гэта больш як класы маг.
Your group in whatever way you want, really. You have a lot of freedom in that. Yeah.
But that said, you do have to level up that character
Right.
for that job class to get all the good.
Yeah, exactly.
You do have to put the work in.
You level up your characters at their levels, and then each has their own
Вот.
job level. So the job points are separate from the regular experience points. And just one thing I really wanted to call out, I was doing it a little bit earlier, but you can use the guide
І
features, so
поінти
another update to the UI.
гэтых
So
класаў гэта немного іншае, чым звычайныя experience поінты.
So as we can see, Tiz is a level 7 thief, so he's got quite a bit of different abilities. But if we switch over to Agnes, she doesn't have as many abilities because she's only level
1. Yeah.
So you can mix and match, build your party as you please. That's a pretty fun part of the game for your strategies that you might want to look into here.
Well, and the nice thing too, I guess, yeah, maybe we can run around the town just a little bit just to show off what it looks like. But the nice thing too is that when you get a new job class, even if you're starting at level 1, if you're a little later in the game, you're going to level that up pretty quickly.
І потым у гульні вы будете атрымліваць новыя класы, і нават калі яны не пракачаны, ну, карацей, гэта весела іх пракачваць, як яны говораць.
Yeah, so that's new.
Oh yeah. So if you're replaying this and you're like, I don't need to take my time through here, I know where I'm going.
We found a passing soul.
Oh, there we go.
So passing soul with your friends, some of the other things here. Here we go. Here.
Yeah, so we will have
Ми зараз знайшли якусь душу. А, гэта онлайн функціонал, асінхронна мультиплеер,
Yes.
або просто адгалоски, як у Souls'ах.
And you can basically put other people in there and then kind of rebuild it a little bit quicker. And you really want to do that too because you're going to get a lot of
Тут немного є така, як симулятор будування, можна виливати ресурси у месцы, у вёскі і ў гарады, каб яны перабудоўвались і пасяляць туды гэтыя душы, як я зразумела.
The map we saw, I think before it would be on the bottom screen, but here we have it in the corner. But we can also switch the map layout so it can be a little bigger.
Раніше мапа була на другім екрані Nintendo 3DS, но зараз вона ось там уверху в кутку, або можна її ось так ось розкрити.
I just wanted to say the music is so good in this game. I think people are going to love hearing that OG music in here.
Oh yeah, especially the battle music really gets me going. Well, now that we're in a battle, we can jump into some of the mechanics. Why, we have the Brave and the default. So if you Brave, you can use your battle points, your BP, and you can do more than one attack. So I've done a little Brave here. We're gonna do an attack here, an attack there, and do an ability. Let's see, if you want to.
The Brave and Default mechanics are one of the core features of this game that kind of made it stand out when it came out over 10 years now, I guess, over 10 years ago.
So if we wanted to default, it's your guard, but you also build more BP, so that allows you to do more attacks. The more times you Brave, the more VP you use, and then you might have to skip a turn here and there, right? So
Yeah, so you can get really layered with your strategy and how you want to do this, and I love this unique mechanic about this RPG. You know, it makes it really stand out. Yeah, and also I want to say when you choose to default, you are in a defensive stance. So if you take a hit, it's not going to hurt you as much.
It's like a defensive stance, and then you bank a turn that you can use later. So maybe you do that with your healers, like if they're not going to do any damage up front.
Yeah.
You might want to save that turn for a little bit later in the battle.
Exactly.
you can really choose your strategy on if you want to just kind of keep on attacking, or if you want to mix it up a bit and save some of those attacks and then go full on out with some more abilities.
If you want to just brave, just get in there.
But then you get into turn debt, and it's like you got to sit
Yeah,
all the,
well,
the
exactly.
attacking
That's
all
the
time.
trade. It's like, how brave do you want to be?
Maybe we want to default a little bit. So now we're in the Temple of Wind. Wait. Oh, we got it.
nice.
Just
Inspect.
Wind
Nice.
charm.
Nice little accessory there.
So I'm gonna start running around and really see what's in here. But this was on the
Yeah,
map
look at the
telling us that we
lighting.
had to go here. This was our next destination, right? So,
Oh, there you go. What's the play here, Tyler?
see, I'm gonna
Maybe
default once.
I was gonna
but-
say maybe make one of them go hard in the brave direction.
Let's see. Let's make Anya's go and let's use some
There
of
we
these
go.
martial arts abilities.
So you can see down at the,
The
bottom,
monks-
the BP is the battle points that Tyler was talking about earlier. So that kind
Brave
of shows
points.
you if you're like on your normal turn schedule. If it goes negative in red, that means you're gonna have to wait a while to take your next turn. And then if you
Унізе
default,
в гэтай
then it kind of
поінти гэта
shows
наші
that bonus
батл
turn
поінти.
Yeah, and I see
Right.
Adia
Коли
has
яны у нас
resist
ёсць, ми
lightning
можемо
going on.
атакаваць, як я зрозуміла.
That's nice.
Або яны
How
вирішають,
many of
хто
these- I like with some of the,
коли,
the black magic,
або
you can
колькі
attack
кроків
all
має.
foes.
Qigong wave.
Also, I have it at 2
Yeah, that
speed,
was
but maybe you want to
satisfying.
do. Oh, I already knocked them out. I like the ability that you can speed up battle speeds from regular speed times 2 times 4.
І тепер можна паскорити хуткость бойов. Просто
So maybe if you- if
там
you're
є
familiar with the story
помноження
and
часу,
you
як у відео
wanna watch
на
the
2,
whole
на
thing
3,
on
на
normal speed,
4.
you can just get a quick summary of it and
Yep, just
then
Щоб хутенько
refresh
все
your memory.
Right here,
проходить.
so we're on autoplay. I could go a little quicker.
Повітря
No
відчувається
chipmunk voices.
хворим, якби
Yeah.
сам тут
We have
щось
the original
не тоє.
voice acting in here. I mean, the whole game, obviously, it's the same game, just remastered and looking super, super good.
Оля Гудшина, ну вони зараз все проклікали, як я зрозуміла.
Oh yeah. All right, so
Yeah,
sometimes
what's-
for
what's the
me,
strat here,
I like to default a little bit,
Mhm.
just to kind of see what is this the boss gonna do, or just to get up my brave points because I want to go in a little harder.
До речі, 60 кадрів
A little
вельми
bit,
добре
but, for
виглядає.
example, with the Dio, I might want to actually do something like this one.
I see too the brave animation when you're selecting the brave and those red sparks fly. Those
Oh,
are
yeah.
updated from the original as well.
Really show that you're going in a little harder, right?
Mhm.
So for me, I want to be like, all right, examine. We can see some things of what is the HP or if there's a weakness. Then I'm going to go and use
like,
fire.
Yeah, we know what
And
that
that's a big
weakness is,
advantage,
and we're
but
going
you-
for it.
you do have to spend a turn to get that info. So it's nice to be able to brave to get like that examine to find the weak spots and maybe get an attack or
Yeah, I do love that you have the ability to just stack and be really super strategic, and you can. I mean, each battle is different because of it.
I'm gonna start using some white magic, do a little protection here. See what happens. We'll speed things up a little bit.
there you go.
His looks super cute.
See, no, it's weak against fire. It's a beast type, and well, I cast fire on it, so. All right, let's do.
Тобто можна просто настакати всі абілки, кожного персонажа,
Let's go.
і потім просто все хутко проіграти.
For me, I
Ну,
also like to
атаки
focus
або
on one of the two first. Get one out of the way.
бусти.
Qigong wave.
That was good.
Мгм.
Nice. Boom.
Let's see.
Wow.
І потім все виконується.
Get and hit a bit here. All right, we're gonna maybe default one. We saw that Tiz got skipped because went a little too hard that first turn, so we're in.
А, дефолт
we're in a little
це
depth there.
дефенс. То ж саме, що і звичайних JRPG.
Gonna continue to go on fire on one side, but I think we need to start healing because we
yeah,
don't
getting
want
down there.
anyone to fall. I like that we can also do all allies.
Yeah, that's really nice.
So you're not going one at a time.
Yeah, and you do have some spells you can cast against the enemies in the same manner where you can hit all of them.
All right, I'm gonna keep on going a little bit. We're gonna keep casting fire.
It's smart. I mean, it just makes sense.
The harder I can get one done. Yeah, we've got quite a few characters in that. I do like when you have your buffs,
nice.
they do
Yeah,
show
you
up
took
there
it
as
out.
well.
Mhm.
One's down.
Yeah, good
let's
job.
see, we wanna start going in. We would do another brave.
It's a super cool looking boss, I have
It
to
is.
say.
All right, we're gonna Qigong wave that. Let's go with a special ability here, and we're gonna use Piercing Bolt.
Специальная
And how we're
дальность.
doing HP-wise, I
Piercing
think we're
Bolt.
doing pretty okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're doing good.
Then let's, but I think we still might need to heal a little bit. And then maybe I want to do a little bit of Protect, no, Shell. And once again, I love that you bring up the guide to show that a little more in depth than what we're going to do. So Magic Defense, because if they're going to hit us, let's do that.
Nice.
That Cure up, the Shell up, Qigong Wave,
Thanks,
and
Ricabelle.
Piercing Bolt. Ooh. A little more damage there. I like that
Take
with
that.
that. We got some buffs from that. It shows up the magic attack is up 120%.
Oh, you've got a special
Like,
available
yeah,
too.
A little low on health there.
You can also kind of see that with their buffs, with the little aura around them.
Yeah.
All right. Let's Blizzard.
So
Actually,
yeah, you do have specials in the game that are linked to various weapons, and you unlock those as you continue. And also actually through the rebuilding of Narende Village.
we're gonna keep on hitting it with some Blizzard here.
Спешли
and
есть.
Go.
Ну, короче, мені здається,
Make-
у гэта ўсё
make-
трэба просто
make-
гуляць, і тады вникнеш добра. Так,
Nice.
Pretty good. Still standing.
ну хз. Звичайна японська РПГшка.
Down. All right,
Покроковая.
brave here. Gonna give it a few more Qigong waves. And special Piercing Bolt. Let's go.
I love that you have Anya as the monk. I have the same.
Oh, really?
Yeah. When I did my original playthrough, that's what I went with.
Просто раней я могла бы сказаць, вось, напрыклад, на запуске
Nice.
Nintendo Switch у яго не было гэтай адваротнай сумяшальнасці з папярэдняй платформай з Wii U. І то бок тады кожная гульня, якая выходзіла, то на рэлізе гэта было вау, таму што ну і яе трэба было паказваць, таму што у іншай нічога нельга пагуляць. А на Switch 2 можна будзе пагуляць ва все гэтыя папярэднія JRPG, якія выходзілі. Можна будзе ў Persona 5 пагуляць, Persona 3 пагуляць. Што там яшчэ выходзіла?
Yeah, so I think we're gonna from here.
У
we're
Shin
gonna hop
Megami
into
Tensei.
another new thing.
Right.
Which
Ну, карацей,
is,
багата
we have
вельмі
two new
JRPG, а
games.
нават не
We're
толькі
gonna take a
JRPG, но
look
і
at
западне
one of them.
RPG, наприклад, Ведьмар 3.
Out of
So
that.
both of these new
То бок,
minigames feature the
я
mouse
многога не
controls
бачу ў
that
гэтым
we,
сэнса,
can use
калі
with the
нават
Nintendo Switch
ну,
2
на новым
system.
свіче
So,
можна
again,
будзе
that's just using the
пагуляць
Joy-Con 2
на
controllers,
рэлізе
putting them down flat on
у
the surface
трэцяга
and making it
Ведьмара.
look like it's a
Ну,
mouse.
як бы. І ён будзе
So we will
каштаваць нават
Hop
танней,
over.
магчыма, чым
Having a
гэтая
little
гульня.
bit of technical-
Таму што гэта лаунч тайтл, яна, мне здаецца, будзе
So
ну,
the
даляраў
first
60
minigame,
мінімум.
the one that we're going to take a look at is called Ringabel's Panic Cruise.
А Ведьмар уже
This
на
one falls
скидках,
into
яго
my
можна
favorite genre of game,
лёгка
Panic
знайсці
Simulator.
картридж, напрыклад.
And what we're going to be doing is
Або нават
piloting,
кіберпанк. Кіберпанк же будзе на
airship.
релізі.
And
Ну, якби-
Tyler's going to be piloting it, and Kendra and I will be here helping as much as we can. So there are going to be a lot of instructions and things that Tyler has to do to pilot that ship.
Octopath
So we're gonna
Traveler
be
можна
screaming
будзе
at
набыць
Tyler
на
at the top of
скидках
our
2
voices to get
часткі.
him to
Yes,
І просто
we definitely
засесть.
are. And yeah, the Luxon Cheer Rhythm Catch is
Yeah.
another new one.
Yeah,
that
we're not going to
be
take a look at it
checking
today,
out.
but it's a cool like rhythm game that also uses the mouse controls
And a bunch of the original songs as well. It's gonna be real good.
and the fun thing about the
І там
Lexington
ще
Rhythm
ритм
Catch is
гульня
that it
буде?
uses
Ритм
both mouse
кетч.
controllers. You use both controllers at the same time, which is something that's like, if you haven't tried it before, it's kind of like mind bending.
It is.
I guess that's true with Ringabel's Panic Cruise too. That one uses.
Гэта
double
не ў
mouse
мяне
controls.
зараз,
We'll
гэта
see
у
if
Nintendo.
Tyler's,
Штосьці з
brain can
трансляцыі
handle
зноў.
it here.
Thanks
локоть.
for the rundown there. Just trying to
Перед камерой.
get into that
Yeah,
right
trying to
now.
get this pulled up. Here we go.
Угу.
All right. Let's
I'm
see.
like,
Ось
and
вони
everyone's
такі
very prepped now 'cause they
намагаємося
got the
відчинити.
long version of those various mini games. Sweet. So
Alright,
here we
there's
are.
Lexington Rhythm Catch.
Yeah.
one
So
we're gonna look
Rhythm
at
Catch
today.
is up on the left.
And just to note again, you can only play this with in dual mouse mode. So we're gonna go to.
І гэта можна у гэты рэжым можна гуляць толькі з джойконамі. То бок калі вы гуляеце будзеце гуляць з про кантролерам, то вас попросяць дастаць джойконы і палажыць іх на стол.
A little bit of a challenge. All right. So
I believe in you.
We gotta head through these rings here.
yeah, I'm
So
gonna
Tyler's
change the
be-
altitude and I have to steer.
You can see the blue and red hands at the bottom. So each
Oh
one
no,
of
the
those-
balloons.
Okay,
You
we
gotta
got
follow
Симулятор
those. So important.
керування.
Follow those balloons.
Gotta stay back on course.
Yep,
Gotta
there you
stay
go,
back
there you
on
go.
course.
Nice.
Мгм.
Very good.
Oh,
Oh,
kinda
it's
cooler.
kind of warm.
Okay, it's
Can you turn on the AC?
right
Yeah,
there on
okay.
the
Oh,
left.
thank you. That's so nice of you.
I'm gonna make sure everyone's happy
Ну і
here.
карацей, тут мільярд задач.
Okay,
Надо отпугивать
the net.
птиц.
Here we go.
Yep.
Oh, we got one
І
more.
убирать,
Nice.
і
Excellent.
убирать гэтыя.
Tiz is happy, so I'm happy.
Oh my goodness, it's just like falling
Шарики
apart.
чинить
no.
усё,
When that happens.
справа кондёр регуляваць.
Down a little maybe.
On, off,
Oh,
on.
On, on,
Ну,
on.
карацей,
on.
класічнае
Look at
кіраванне
the little seagull. What is
дирижаблем.
Hi, my friend. Bye.
Oh, radio to
315.
315.
Yep. Oh, and
gotta go
the-
down,
and the-
down,
down, down,
Okay,
down.
drop altitude.
You got it. Okay.
It's getting a little
Left.
cold here. I'm getting,
And up. Oh,
Look at the-
oh, the fly. That is so important.
Oh,
It's a weird bug. Oh no.
I got on the
І,
I was trying to hit it
і
3
на
times.
кожне розне, то бок, каб птушок не треба там сітку кинуть, каб ось зараз муху треба було мухобойку достати, як лише зручно буде гэтым джойстиком, як мішком користатися. Нет, конечно.
All right, get back on course. Get back on course.
Gotta
Oh,
keep it-
Яны ж не круглые.
Back left.
Калі якой-небудзь, я не ведаю, Аліэкспрэс, ну або дзе бренд, або інший такой, хто вырабляе такія аксесуары да Nintendo, ну, раней, ты ведаеш, былі ж і для свіча былі гэтыя джойконы, якія не афіцыйныя ад Nintendo. І просто нават на афіцыйныя джойконы, напрыклад, гэтыя нават не скіны, а такія як кейсы, якія дабаўляюць ім ззаді полукруг, і іх лепш трымаць зручней. Вось, боже мой, гэта трохпаліганальная фотка.
You cannot ignore the kitty.
Oh, no.
Ну мы яе любім таксама.
Birthdays on
Вось,
board.
мне здаецца, да гэтых новых джойконаў проста выйдзе якая-небудзь насадка, вось, якую ты калі адзяваеш, яно робіць зручным гэтую мышку. А так яно, ну, бачна, што не зручна. Таму што, ну, мышкі ж трэба іменно вось гэта, як казаць, каб ладонь упіралась, іменно лежала, а тут она будзе лежаць на гэтым рэбре, і она будзе упівацца проста
We would
у
hurt the dragon.
гэтыя.
Why would we hurt the dragon?
It's like I got the
That's our
two on
friend.
the.
Карацей,
on my
будзе
shoulder here.
Tyler's like, I don't know
незручна.
about that.
Right, it was a little short, but of course, saying that you get the panels, we're going to use it with the mouse
Okay,
here.
yep, here we go.
Do you wanna
Bind them to
combine them,
reflect.
reflect?
Boom, nice.
Nice.
I'm sorry, dragon.
I don't know. I don't
Tyler doesn't mean
Well,
it.
Удало,
he
не
shot
удало.
first.
He
Так.
did. You shoot first.
All right, let's make sure reflect that. We don't want to take too much damage here.
Nice, you're doing
Yeah.
great.
То бок на одну міні-гульню так, добра.
Oh, wow.
А калі вось так гадзіну сидзець вось так вось, то гэта ж незручна будзе. Дайце мне мышку подлучыць, просто
Wow.
лепей
Tyler,
будзе.
I'm very sorry, dragon.
Let's put him there. Oh, let's get this big one back. Booyah!
Wow.
Done.
All right, now it's our turn.
Oh, yes.
Я ўжо
there you go.
бачыла,
Okay, this part is very fun. It's
Ді-бренд,
very-
гэта амерыканскі вырабнік аксесуараў для кансолей. У іх было партнёрства з Nintendo, і яны ўжо распрацавалі
Pull back here.
такія як насадкі на Switch. Ну, правда, там яны як на першы Switch, то бок просто каб просто было зручней у партатыле гуляць.
Another
То бок там
crit.
больш звычайныя такія як
Oh, got a nice
як
range
скін,
on it.
карацей, просто. І, но ззаді там усё роўна на джойконах є вось такі як полукругі,
Fire at will.
а-ля попкі, каб можна было лепей, зручней трымаць яго.
Brave mode, we can keep firing. There's no cooldown
Ну, таму
time.
што рукам хочацца полукруг трымаць, вось як геймпады.
Cannons.
А Switch, нават гэты новый, ну там не будзе гэтай выпукласці просто.
Who wouldn't
Ён
want
усё роўна занадта тонкі.
Hey, we beat it!
Хоць у яго і у звычайнага Switcha гэта полукруг, як то бок там няма гэтых
Right, we did that,
рэзкіх
and you can see it was a
куткоў.
bit of a panic there, but Thank you both
Но
for helping
з
me
часом
find out
мені
what's going
зручно.
on, 'cause I
We
try
were,
to use it
I'm
Pretty
sure we
much.
were so helpful, just yelling in your ear
I
the
mean,
whole
it was a good
time.
balance in both yelling in both right and left ears.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you know,
Everything in balance.
we aim to please.
But we got an S rank, so I think
Nice.
with all of our orders fulfilled, everyone is hopefully a happy camper.
Yeah.
On
We
the
should
ship,
mention there are a
so-
couple in-game rewards for playing the mini games.
Коли є ще долоні великі, то це
Yeah,
зовсім десь
absolutely.
буде так.
Well, thank you so much for watching. That was Bravely Default Flying Fairy HD Remaster. Again,
Bravely
super
Default
excited
Flying
about that one.
Fairy HD
Classic
Remaster.
RPG.
Дякую.
And now,
Дякуємо,
up
що ви
next,
були
we've
зараз з
got
нами.
Kirby and the
І
Forgotten
наступне
Lands, Nintendo Switch 2 edition,
Kirby і
and
Forgotten
Star Fox
Land,
World.
видання
So stay tuned
для
for that.
Nintendo Switch 2, і там буде новий уровень а-ля DLC, який нам зараз покажуть. Так, Spotify. Притягуємо. Мгм. А, ми ж читали Міядзакі. Як він там у своїй студії Гіблі робить Elden Ring. Угу. Ось так. Как ви так само почитали. Так. Спочатку розпрацьовка починалась маленькой командой, но Nintendo потом сама подошла до їх і такі, типа, ми тут Switch 2 хутко не хутко, а починаємо працювати на Switch 2, давайте ви для яе будете робити вашу гульню, і яны перарабілі ўсё з думкай о новым железе. І гэта будзе фокус на онлайн фічы, то бок гэта мультиплеерная поўнасцю гульня. І гэта дазволіла ім бліжэй да арыгінальнага відзення падысці. По структуре мы ее называем PvPvE. Player versus player versus шии. Штучний інтелект. У ядре онлайн мультиплеєр гульня буде сфокусована на ім. А вось player versus enemy. Геймплей. А, гэта босс быў такой. Ну вось в коопе супраць вось босса і вось босса. А мабыць гэта простыя мобы. Вы заўсёды хацелі зрабіць такую гульню PvPvE? Так, меня заўсёды цікавіла такая структура. Яна дазваляе больш шырокі рэндж. Як гэта? Короче, больш широко падысці да геймдызайну. І дазваляе нам ну, карацей, больш тонка дызайніць челенджы і гэтых ворагаў і бітвы з імі. но ён хоча кое-што вельмі важнае сказаць. Як раней я гаварыў, што дакладна гэтая гульня яна больш мультиплеерная, но гэта не значыць, што ў будучыні мы будзем толькі мультиплеерныя гульні распрацоўваць. Як вы ўжо бачылі, мы таксама анансавалі Elden Ring для Nintendo Switch 2, і мы ўсё яшчэ будзем актыўна распрацоўваць сінглплеерныя гульні, такія як Elden Ring, у больш традыцыйным стылі. Распавядзіце нам пра персанажы і сеттынг, свет гэтай гульні. Протагоніста гэтай гульні называюць Bloodthorn. Як это? Якой прысвяціў сябе краві. Bloodthorn — гэта група, члены якой дасягнулі суперчалавечых здольнасцей праз сілу спецыяльнай крові. Увогуле, па канцэпту яны падобныя да вампіраў, но яны у нас не такія жорсткія монстры, жахлівыя монстры, з якімі у вас можа скласться асацыяцыя пасля таго, як вы зараз пачулі слова вампір. Мы больш накіравались у бок романтычных аспектаў вампіраў і ўсё, што датычыцца крові, і пераінтэрпрэтавалі, божухна, іх як Bloodthorn. У Dusk Bloodthorn група змагаецца за штосьці, якое у сусвеце гульні называецца First Blood, першая кроў. Кірбі да нас прыйшоў.
Teresa, I believe you're controlling our favorite pink puff ball, right?
We are a little hero.
Yeah.
Вось бачыце, перакладаем і ўсё. І час як хутка праходзіць.
The Starcross Worlds is the new content that's exclusive to Nintendo Switch 2. We're playing the experience that is here live at the Nintendo Switch 2 experience.
Мы зараз будзем паказваць вам Starcross World. Гэта ўзровень толькі для Nintendo Switch 2. Ну, ён будзе толькі ў версіі для Nintendo Switch 2.
Coming out of the sky.
Гэта якось метеорит. Зорочки.
How tragically beautiful. How beautiful, tragic.
So for those that haven't played Kirby and the Forgotten Land before, that the main setting is the Forgotten Land, which Kirby initially landed on the beach and was unsure of where he was, and he gained some mysterious powers in addition to his copy ability. So with the new content, we're kind of landing in the same area, which is this beach. And
На
you can see now
пачатку
that
Кірбі
things
прыземляецца
changed.
на пляжы,
There's
і ў
crystals
яго
all
з'яўляюцца
around here.
здольнасці
Kirby arrived at first, now
не
Peter
толькі,
has arrived.
які
Yeah.
у яго заўсёды былі купавасьныя шэнікі.
Correct, yeah.
Вось. І зараз гэты пачатак
So there's been
падобен да
some
пачатку
interesting stages. Yeah, I've
гульні.
decided to go with Hammer because I want to
Пачатак гэтага
smash
DLC.
Excellent choice.
Who doesn't want to smash things with a hammer?
So in addition to the crystals, there's also these interesting crystal flowers, and as you interact them, they'll reveal these new pathways.
I love this look.
З гэтымі кветкамі крыштальнымі трэба ўзаемадзейнічаць, і яны адчыняюць новы шлях.
It sounds very, very mystical, right?
It really does. The shimmering sounds.
Familiar looking a woofy.
So Sorry, buddy. I need the
Я
path
думала,
cleared.
це
Kirby, hello.
сябр був.
Kirby, hello.
He knows not what he does.
Oh my goodness.
So right away, seeing some changes here to the familiar.
Oh my goodness.
Well, speaking of,
So not only do the changes reflect within the environment, but also impacts and affects the creatures of this world. So the Beast Pack, which are the antagonists of this story, will also
І гэта крышталы не толькі на расліны
so cool now.
уплываюць, но і на жывёл гэтага
I
света.
like the mohawk. Crystal mohawk is doing it for it.
I'm actually gonna kind of walk back here just to really look at the
I
environment.
mean, look
Thank
at the
you.
sky too.
And you can see how the world has been torn asunder by this meteor impact. So you could get the clear skies on the left and dark skies on the right. So
And I just
kind of
want to
ominous.
comment on just how beautiful everything looks on the Nintendo Switch 2.
Yeah.
Everything's so crisp and clear and
Як все
vibrant.
гарно
It's
виглядає.
nice to see this game.
Ну і, до речі, гэта
with
стрім
this
ідзе
kind
у
of,
4К.
upgrade to it. I'm really eager to play
Не
this
мой
and, like,
стрім, а стрім
see how good
Нінтендо,
it
так що
looks.
коли ви
Yes.
хочете
So
дома
in the
на
original
телекі
level
поглядіть,
1, that
це
sign was
ось
actually pointing
геймплей
right, and
трейлери
we're able to go around
на
the
каналі
building,
Нінтендо
but
у
now
4К
there's
є.
no way
Можна на
Rubble in the
телекі
way now.
включити.
but I guess hopefully, yep, up. We're going up.
Another
Everybody looks
member
so
of the
cool
Beast
now.
Pack with a sporting new headgear.
Yeah, these enemies are taking a few more whacks than they normally do, right, Teresa?
Yeah, they have become somewhat stronger. Yeah, that guy is also sporting a mohawk.
I love it for him.
Strong hairdo for a strong enemy.
I love
Пробачте, що тут на гэтай цудоўнай гульні я зараз зазірнула ў навіны, но карацей,
That's true. I remember in
Nintendo
that
адкладвае
awning on the
прадзаказы
bottom
на
right,
Switch
there
2
was, an
у
energy
Паўночнай
drink
Амерыкі,
there.
там
That's right,
з-за
that's right.
тарыфаў.
Oh, but there's something much more
То бок,
interesting now.
магчыма, ўсё ж такі ў Амерыкі будзе
in the new
даражэй
content,
каштаваць
you'll also get
кансоль.
access to new mouthful modes specifically in these levels. So this is one of the ones that we announced, which was spring mouthful mode. So Kirby has inhaled this giant spring and now has two abilities: to high jump with A,
Wow.
and also to
Як,
smash down.
як цікава.
This is the wiggly energy we need right now.
I love it so much.
І, до речі, калі мы ўжо
Can we just
зайшлі
stay in
на
this
гэтай
mouthful mode the
кансолі, у Nintendo Switch 2 будзе
It's the little,
яшчэ
Definitely
версія
need it in order
японская,
to-
то бок японская кансоль, якая будзе
Speedway,
зачынена
like,
рэгіянальна,
yeah.
там будзе толькі японская
It's the
мова,
booty and
і у яе можна зарэгістраваць толькі японскі аккаунт. Вось. Так што калі вам будуць прапанаваць набыць
Alright,
японскую Nintendo Switch 2 танней, ведайце, што
Smash down, Teresa. Can
і
you-
гэта таму, што яна рэгіянальна
Well, in
заблакаваная.
addition
Вось.
to the new content, the Nintendo Switch 2 edition will also have improved performance.
Но
and
яна танней
resolution,
будзе
so
каштаваць,
frame
яна
rate.
будзе не
in
$450,
the
а,
Nintendo
по-моему,
Switch 2 edition, it will
$350.
be, 60
Ну,
frames
у
per
эквиваленте.
second. And then if you're playing in handheld mode or tabletop mode, the visual display will be at 1080p. But if you're playing docked to TV mode, it will be at 1440p.
That's amazing.
So really, really pretty
А,
visuals.
ну гэта Кірбі, ён у гэтым
It's so interesting too, like the
у
different perspective for this level
партативе ён
because
ідзе
we
ў
were down there and
1080p,
now we're
но
kind of
на
way up
телеке
high.
I know. The verticality really works
ён
with this
ідзе ў
mouthful mode, too.
1440p,
It's really
то бок
fun to see
нават
how
не ў
high we can
4К
I
get.
want those
поўных.
bananas. Feel like it's on theme. I think BK would approve of me getting those bananas.
I certainly do.
All right, so we got a warp star
Oh,
here.
bye-bye,
we have to
Spring.
leave behind Spring.
We'll miss you.
Yeah, it is fun to be going in an entirely different route, like way up high, and see the rest of the city behind us, but like stick to the top of these skyscrapers.
Yeah. So in each level, you'll have like missions to complete as you explore and interact with the world. And the main goal of the main story was to rescue Waddle Dees to save them from the Beast Pack. With this story mode, you will now be rescuing those new creatures that are kind of encased in that crystal. They're called Starries. And we'll find out more about them at a later time, but I wanted to point out that the Waddle Dees are still important in the main story, but for this new content, the Starries are.
Waddle Dees aren't captured anymore on these levels.
Yeah.
I can't help but notice how much cooler Wild Frosty looks.
Yeah, so the mini bosses have also
Mini-boss.
been impacted by the meteor.
Well, they've learned a couple new moves,
Yeah,
haven't they?
like this tracking snowman.
Метеорит так само змінює міні-боссів. Яни вивчили нові здольності.
You've got this.
Oh my God. Bowling with him. You're gonna play bowling with me. I'm gonna play bowling with him.
Battle of the Bowl.
Oh no! Wow, all right.
There
He's
we
faster than he
go.
looks.
Take a nap, buddy.
Sorry, Frosty.
I want your copy ability though.
Nice.
Oh, very good.
This one's one of my favorites.
And so whenever you get near, so in the main game, whenever you got close to a Waddle Dee, you would hear them kind of like chirping, so you would know that they were there. But with the Starries, you'll hear this sort of galactical, mystical chime, so you'll know that they're there. But some of them are pretty challenging to find, so you really want to explore the environment and try to figure out all those nooks and
І гуля вам
crannies.
буде допомагати, коли ви близько давите тих часток зорки,
Yeah, but in the circumstances
буде
you're not able
гучать
to do it in the
гук,
first time of playing the
а
level, you can
такой
always go back to the
тилинь-тилинь.
level and try to find them again.
Ви ведали, что ён близко, и пошукали в зоне.
Express how good the extra aria singing is.
Yes, there is
I was
new
just
music.
thinking that.
It's really adding something.
It's lovely.
Oh,
Get all these points.
you're actively making me remember how much fun it is to collect things in this game.
All about collecting.
Yeah, there's so many hidden secrets all over the place.
Oh, that was a nice
Oh,
one.
nice. Very well done.
Well
Thank you.
executed.
It was
Skate
all
away on that.
Kirby. It was not me.
Pure skill.
Stay there.
Sorry, buddy. That looked rough.
Kirby's got things to do, things to eat.
Oh, hey,
Oh.
Spring Mouth almost back. Yeah.
Yay. I'm in my happy place again.
Oh, okay.
He's also gotten enough.
Yeah,
right?
he's also gotten
Well
a
done.
bit of a change from the meteor.
Fanciest torch tilting has ever
He's
looked.
much faster.
Ooh, got
So
him.
am I.
Still not fast enough.
Yeah.
Sorry, friend.
I'm fast too.
Nice
Go,
one.
Starry, go. Join your friends.
Be free. Oh, another one.
Oh yeah. These guys are. Okay.
Well dodged.
I gotta wait for it. All right, there we go. I gotta risk it.
It is such a subtle change, but adding a crystal mohawk really does make tortilting look that much cooler. Turns out, I guess that's true of most things, and I'm thinking about it.
Yeah, that's true.
Certainly true of Goofy's tortildings. Even Kirby. I guess Kirby's got his little crystal mohawk right now.
All right, so we'll know that the end of the stage is near once we get to the giant crystal ball that holds 3 Starries. But I just want to give another call out to the background
I
in
know,
the
look at
environment
it.
because it's so pretty and it's just also so mysterious and a little bit ominous of how the sky is split.
Yeah,
So-
that like almost tear in the sky effect is just so pretty.
Yeah, yeah.
Everything is
Surely
so
it's not a problem.
We'll find out.
Surely everything is fine.
Yeah, the weather's going to clear up by mid-afternoon. Sunny skies again.
So again, there's new missions to look forward to in the new content. You'll uncover them as you explore.
Ну,
but in
гэта
the
не одна
circumstance you don't
місія,
get to complete
будуть
them,
ще
you can always go back to the stage and get
яшчэ
them.
ў гэтым
So
DLC
we're actually
місіі.
gonna swap to a different. We're gonna prepare a different area in the game, and I'm gonna ask Kata.
Yes,
Get
I've
with
been
me.
really dying to play
І
with
зараз нам
you.
покажуть іншу
I'll
зону
be
у грі.
Bandana Waddle Dee any day to your Kirby.
What's occurred to me watching you play is I'm going to have to be very careful because everything in that game looks delicious to me. It's very colorful and very sparkly in a way that's very candy-like.
I mean,
very tempting.
it's on brand for Kirby
Right.
because he's hungry all the time for adventure as well, but hungry in general. So, all right. So we're going to jump on into a later point in the game. So just to really show how the new content is unlocked, or not unlocked, but how it's shown and how you get to choose between the main story of the game as well
А
as the
ось
new
як ви можете
content. So
обрати,
you can choose which level
ви
you
можете
want to
пасти
play.
по звичайній,
So you can go
по
back
звичайних
into the
історії
original,
гульні,
the
або
more like
ось
blue,
пасти у
kind of
DLC.
like crystal impacted side of the map will be the new content. So we're gonna
Тому
jump
що зорка
into,
аля змінила всю мапу,
crossing one
но
area.
коли ви
This is
хочете
one of my
повернутися у
favorite
звичайну
levels in
мапу,
the
звичайну
original
гульню,
base game, so I'm
основну
really excited to
історію,
show off
то ви
how it's
можете це
changed
зробити.
in this version.
Yeah.
Proud video game tradition of derelict theme parks.
I love theme parks.
Yeah, me too.
This one looks like it's gotten a little bit messy. It's got a bit of sludge going on,
But
lots
also
of crystals.
so sparkly and shiny and
Yeah.
delicious looking. Yeah, right away you can see this whole intro area, this little entrance area is different than the main game content.
Yeah,
I know there's a lot of like poison on the ground.
Yeah,
Is a problem.
I explicitly remember. Well, for those that have played, there were little duckies here, and I love
Take a
rescuing
picture.
them.
Oh.
I'm so glad this is still there though.
Yeah.
They all have little crystal mohawks. That's wonderful.
All right, I think we should go to that area that we just uncovered.
Oh,
Oh,
I am fine.
Just bravely testing it out. Yes, it is
You know,
poison. Can
yep,
confirm.
Can confirm. It's like I'm your food taste tester
Oh,
too.
that's,
You know,
I love that for Bending
testing for
Holding.
fun. That's what I'm here for. I'm supporting you, keeping you safe.
thank you. I appreciate it.
Oh, and exploring a new path right away as well, which I love as the roller coaster part of this original stage.
Look at that view.
Yeah.
So fun.
And
Again-
we've just lit everything up with that switch that you hit.
Yeah, and it's again new perspective of the park. But the new content supports up to 2 players as well. It's all local, so same system. You don't need to buy a new game or a new system. You can get the new content either by purchasing an upgrade pack, or if you've never played Kirby in the Forgotten Land before, it's a great opportunity to hop in and you can buy the Nintendo Switch 2 edition game
Man, I wish
There
I
we
could play
go.
this game
with everything in
for the
there.
first time all over again. I'm
I mean,
jealous
you
of people that get
can.
to.
You totally can.
Well, I'd have to wipe my memory.
No, you have 3 save files. You can totally start from the beginning. I know I will.
Oh, I'm sorry. I meant my my brain memory. My memories of playing the game.
I can wipe it for you.
This is getting a little dark. Ooh, a hot dog.
Come here.
Give me some of that.
High
Thanks.
Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring.
Friendship is key in this game.
Wee. And jump.
Виглядає вельми прихоже, до речі.
And jump. Ooh.
My aim was off.
Now,
I'll get him. There we go.
Yeah.
well aimed, because those woofies were minding their own business. they don't
I'll
deserve to
leave
suffer.
them. Oh, no, no. Kay's gonna get him. Kay's gonna get him.
Kay disagrees.
My entire job is to keep you safe. I will, I will
No,
destroy your
I
enemies.
actually love that. That's good bodyguard behavior.
Hi.
So for those of you that haven't played Kirby in the Forgotten Land before, player 1 will always play as Kirby, while player 2 will play as Bandana Waddle Dee. The copy abilities in mouthful mode are specific to Kirby, so only he will be able to use them. But Bandana Waddle Dee is just as equally as
Come here.
strong. Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bandana Waddle Dee will have a spear. He's got a really cool moveset. My favorite one is the one that Kay's about to do, which is the raining spears.
It looks like so much.
Sound effects not included.
You need your own BK to make sound effects. What happened?
I
Get outta here,
through
buddy.
myself, I Mr. President it.
In the new content, you'll also have returning mouthful mode. So we're about to show Pipe Mouth, and
I'm gonna hop on here and
On
help
over
out
Run.
a little bit.
Hustle, buddy, hustle. Keep it going.
look at him run.
Yep, I got you.
It is really fun to go through this new section in this particular mouthful
This,
mode.
this one's really fun. Just don't miss any of the jumps, okay? No pressure.
Try my best.
Right, you're riding for 2
Режим
now.
повна харта.
Riding for two.
You got a passenger on board. It's okay, you're still good.
It's all right. It's all right.
Well done.
Oh, beautiful. Here we go. Nice. Nicely done.
Your skill.
Oh, yeah.
I got flattened. I also flattened Kay. I'm
We
sorry.
both got flattened. Sharing is caring, right?
Ну, першы гулец заўсёды будзе гуляць за Кірбі, на другой вось
These all new optional
за
missions popping up.
І-
This is one of- that was
якогось
one of my
бандана
favorite things in the main game,
персонажа.
the idea of an entirely new set of them.
Вось.
So appealing to me.
Yeah, to find them all, it's just I love discovering
Яго усе ты ж, амаль усе ты ж здольнасці, што і Кірбі, толькі ён вот не можа, як вось Кірбі там трансфарміраваўся, зато ён можа выкарыстоўваць вось гэтае кап'ё, як вы зараз пабачылі, і ён можа ўверх лётаць нямнога з дапамогай гэтага кап'я. Вось. Ну, можна і поўнасцю ў сола гэта прайсці. Вітаю, Патата. Ты прапусціў Mario Kart, Bravely Default і Mario Party Jamboree.
Everything's fine.
Вось.
Maybe that'll help.
Yeah.
Ну, ремейк
a little
першага
bit.
Bravely
It's
Default
cool.
і Mario Kart
As
World.
long as you're at full health, I'm doing my
Вось.
job.
The crystal effect is also,
А зараз нам паказваюць версію для Nintendo Switch 2, Kirby and the Forgotten Land, і гэта зараз DLC, якое выйдзе толькі на Nintendo Switch 2. Ну, яно будзе ўхадзіць у апгрейд. Вось. Ано кошту апгрейда пакуль няма. Дарэчы, толькі што пабачыла, і ну я ўжо сказала в стриме, што ў Паўночнай Амерыкі адмянілі прадзаказы, ну не адмянілі, а пакуль прыастанавілі прадзаказы на Nintendo Switch 2 у гэтым за тарыфаў, то бок магчыма будзе пералік коштаў і кансоль будзе больш каштаваць там нават чым у еўра, таму што зараз Nintendo, ну як зараз 2 дня таму Nintendo абвясціла на сайце, што у далярах будзе 450 даляраў каштаваць базавая версія. Версія з Mario Kart'ам 500 даляраў. У еўра гэта 470 еўра і 510 еўра за версію з гульнёй.
Apologies for the screams right into your ears, you guys.
Oh, I hear. Sorry. Oh, it's right back there. Let's see if we can.
Но магчыма, у далярах будзе нават больш каштаваць, не ў далярах, а дакладна у Паўночнай Амерыкі, вось.
Yeah, for those of you at home playing in the future, make sure you don't scream too much. Listen for the stories.
Нават не ў Паўночнай Амерыкі, а ў Злучаных Штатах Амерыкі, таму што Канада ж
Screaming
є.
is encouraged. Live your best life.
Yes. I agree with that.
Feel your feelings.
Cool. All right.
Nice
I
one.
think we rescued that star, and this is a good spot to stop. Don't want to give too much and have more content for everyone at home to
Ну,
experience
так,
and enjoy
весь
on your own
DLC яны
time.
не
But,
хацяць зараз паказаць.
thanks so much for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed
Там і на
that.
гэтым усё.
Again, this was Kirby and the Forgotten Land, Nintendo Switch 2 edition plus Star Cross Worlds. It's a great opportunity for all players that are, just never heard of Kirby before. This is a great game to hop in and enjoy. Friends or additional friend or family. But for those of you that have the game, you can buy the upgrade pack and continue the adventure. Brandon, you want to close us off?
I sure do. Thanks for playing. It's fun to watch you guys play that. Make a good team.
Yeah, we do.
For those of you watching at home, though, don't go anywhere. Up next, Street Fighter 6.
Наступна Street Fighter 6 на Nintendo Switch 2. Окей. Так. І ми тут уключаємо свою музичку, читаємо інтерв'ю Міядзакі. Про Dusk Bloods. Карацей, мы будзем гуляць за кагосьці, за Бладсворна. Гэта штосьці натхнёнае вампірызмам, но больш романтычным вампірызмам. Вось.
Похвастайся своим музыкальным вкусом с премиум. Создай джем вместе с друзьями.
Дякуй. Дякуй, Spotify. Вось. І яны шукаюць штосьці, што ў свеце называецца як First Blood. Першая кроў. І яна цячэ ў івенце у гэтым. Калі здараецца, карацей, Twilight of Humanity. Зяянне... Господи, не зяянне. Змярканне чалавечества. Bloodborne... Яны прызываюцца, іх прызываюцца тады, калі вось гэты івент здараецца, гэтае змярканне. У розных часах і ў розных месцах. То бок, у нас тут падарожжы ў часе будуць, каб яны атрымалі гэтую першую кроў. Пагэтаму няма адной лакацыі, дзе вся гульня адбываецца. У гульні декалькі традычных і гатычных або ў віктарыянскім стылі мап, якія, як казаць, якія замадэліраваны як апошнія годы ранняга мадэрна, перыяда ранняга мадэрна. Вы маглі пабачыць, напрыклад, як цягнік, якой у трэйлере быў кадр, і станцыя чыгуначная. А можете паясніць, што азначае назва гульні Dusk Bloods? Dusk Bloods адносіцца напрамую да пратаганістаў Bloodborne, да пратаганіста Bloodborne. Гэта то, як ён называецца, то бок у Elden Ring гітарніш, у Dark Souls я не памятаю, а вось у Dark Bloods за Bloodborne. Пакалянуўшыся крыві. Як раней мы гаварылі, Bloodborne прызываюцца на змярканне чалавечества у бойкі за першую кроў. Dusk Bloods гэта калектыўнае слова, то бок яна азначае штосьці, яна азначае персанажаў, якіх кантралюе гулец. Тут не пачалося яшчэ нічого. Гучыць так, быццам кроў гуляе вельмі вялікую роль у гульні. Так, у кантэксце гульні кроў выкарыстоўваецца больш як канцэпт, а не літаральна як фізічная кроў. Blood кроў сімвалізуе ключавыя тэмы гульні, гісторыю, якую яна атрымае, сілу, якая перадаецца далей, і лёс, якой пляцецца і стваральнік тых, хто предзашлі свае ліміты і сваю чалавечнасць. Вышлі за мяжы сваёй чалавечнасці. Ну ладно, працяг інтэрв'ю, суперчалавечыя здольнасці і паводзіны апартуністычныя. Якія характарыстыкі галоўнага пратаганіста або гэтай групы Bloodborne? Є декалькі прычын, па якім мы так фокусуемся на Bloodborne. Першае, гэта вялікія здольнасці персанажай. У Bloodborne є суперчалавечыя здольнасці дзякуючы спецыяльнай крові, Так што іх дзеянні выглядаюць больш драматычныя, чым тое, што вы раней бачылі ў нашых гульнях. Нават звычайныя дзеянні ў гульні, як бег, стрыбок, двойной прыжок, задызайнены больш дынамічна і каб было менш стрэса. І іх дапаўняе унікальная зброя кожнага персанажа і яго здольнасці. Дазваляе вельмі шырокую крэатыўнасць. Это некае новае інтэрв'ю. Так, сёння выйшла на афіцыйным сайце Nintendo. І таксама, хоць гэта і не напрамую датычыцца Bloodborne, гэты сеттынг дазваляе выкарыстоўваць зброю гэтую, як гэта, зброю, ладно, зброю, якая на дыстанцыі атакуе, то бок этой, боже мой, я забыла, паляўнічая стрэльба, вось, напрыклад. І гэта адзін з унікальных аспектаў гульні у параўненні з іншымі тайтламі. Я спадзяюся, што гэтыя новыя экшн-элементы спадабаюцца гульцам. Раней вы гаварылі о пратаганісце ў множным ліку, як пратаганістах або персанажах. Гэта значыць, што мы зможам абіраць декалькі персанажаў, за якіх мы будзем гуляць. Так, у нас больш за десятак персанажаў, якія вы зможаце абіраць, і за іх вы зможаце гуляць. У кожнага будзе свая ідэнтычнасць і воблік. Я думаю, што у нас зараз у гэтай гульне многа унікальных элементаў, што датычыцца дызайнных персанажаў і зброі, якую яны выкарыстоўваюць. Так што я спадзяюся, што гульцы знайдуць адзін або двух персанажаў, якія будуць дакладна для іх, ім падабацца і будуць іх выкарыстоўваць. Таксама кожны персанаж можа быць, вы зможаце кастамізаваць свайго персанажа у якосці степені. І мы дазваляем гульцам будаваць свой білд, свой пресет персанажа, якой адчуваецца для іх лепей. Ну, то бок гэта жанчына, як быццам яна з Японіі, гэта адна з грабельных персанажаў. Карацей, From Software ідзе нямнога ў Overwatch. То бок тут сапраўды будуць персанажы, і гэта мультиплеерная гульня. Ну, тут, правда, змагацца не паміж сабой, а і паміж сабой і супраць босаў, супраць шыі. А можете нам, пожалуйста, яшчэ распавесці пра геймплейнае кола? Геймплей луп. У гульні є хаб-зона, дзе гульцы абіраюць сваіх персанажаў, кастамізіруюць іх і заходзяць у мультиплеер. Онлайн-мультиплеер падтрымлівае 8 гульцоў лобі. калі матч скончваецца, гульцы павяртаюцца ў хаб, у якім яны атрымліваюць нагароды у залежнасці таго, перамаглі ли яны у гэтым лобі у матчы або не. Ну і потым яны могуць далей скастамізаваць персанажа, набыць больш зброі або гэта палепшыць гэтую зброю і зноў пайсці ў іншы матч. Гэта Господи, каралеўская бітва. Звычайныя онлайн-матчы прыцягваюцца да апошняга персанажа, якой жывой. То бок гэта каралеўская бітва. Но там паказваюць. Но дачытаю гэтае, но у дзелікіх выніках будуць матчы, дзе іншыя умовы перамогі, то бок не да аднаго, не да апошняга персанажа. Так. Тифай, дзякуй. Ну, будуць матчы, дзе не каралеўская бітва, но вось, онлайн-матчы generally last player standing, то бок да апошняга гульца. Напрыклад, напрыклад, гульцы могуць атрымаць гэтую мэту, каб зацімапіцца разам, то бок быць у камандзе, каб забіць босса, або і могуць быць выдадзены іншыя спецыяльныя гэтыя таскі, челленджы. Вось так вось. Чым больш чытаем, тым весялей, так? Ладно.
Other modes.
We're gonna check out Gyro Battle. So this is new from Nintendo Switch 2.
Yeah, and then I'll step out of this one.
Let's do this really quick here.
Why don't we get
Swap it
Kendra to
out.
play here?
Well,
Actually,
I want to wait for,
the next one.
You know which one
All right,
I want to do.
yeah, I'll do that.
Yeah. I'm like, whoa. In a minute.
In a minute.
Yeah.
I'll take this.
All right, let's see here.
And in the meantime,
Okay, we're good to
so
go.
we're going into the gyro battle. It's going to be using the motion controls on the Joy-Con
Correct.
2.
All right, ready to go?
Yep.
And
All right.
here we are. So there's the moves,
I'm gonna tilt to move.
Tilt.
To
О,
attack
можна
and
будзе
down,
на джеконі нават гуляць.
twist.
Ну гэта,
Drive
конечно,
and touch with face
жорстка.
buttons, drive parry with SL and SR.
And those buttons are bigger on the Joy-Con 2, which is
Yeah.
nice.
It
you
feels
know?
so good.
Yeah, it really does.
Tighten that a little more. Okay.
Right, got our
You got
red drops on.
Yeah,
Safety
yeah.
first. Let's go.
Okay.
You can choose a stage.
My turn?
Yeah.
Oh, actually, looks like it's you.
Oh, it's me?
Yep.
Oh, I can choose a stage. All right, let's go somewhere a little.
Where are we going? King Street. Nice.
This one,
All right.
All right.
I'll try something a little different here.
Oh, I was like, are you going to be Blanca?
Зангів супроть Люка. А ні, не Люка.
Zangief's great too.
Yeah.
Do Blanca. Oh, all right, let's do Blanca.
You gonna?
I'll do Blanca. Let's go.
Oh
Let's
my
go with Blanca.
goodness, I'm so happy.
Я так багато
Okay, yes.
зараз перекладала, що
Blanca's
прям
amazing.
горло засохло.
Okay. All right. All right. I gotta keep defending myself here.
Yeah, Zangief looks like he means business.
Yeah.
He does mean business.
7 feet tall. Wow.
Ну что, признавайтесь, кто гулял у Street Fighter 6? Потому что я не гуляла. Бланка супроть Зангифа.
You got this.
Right, here we go.
Okay, so I'm gonna make sure I can get in there. It's a little tougher.
Boom.
Already with a punish counter?
Oh. It's a little tougher trying to. Whoa!
Shake it like you mean it. Shake it like you mean it.
Shake it till I make it. Oh man, really going in with this.
Oh wait.
Oh, come on, really? Oh, really?
Oh,
Both
man.
of
It's level 1. It's
Oh,
there.
that was close. Oh, nice shot.
Let's see if I can. Oh!
Ой, до
nice.
речі, я
Ням,
тільки
ням, ням.
подумала. Зараз я
Oh,
це
come
швиденько
on.
зроблю.
Alright, hop. Oh!
Я тільки що вспомнила, що
Вау.
не ведаю, хто ведає, хто або ні, як виглядає Mortal Kombat апошній, Mortal Kombat 1 і Mortal Kombat 11, 11. На Nintendo Switch, це жах. Я насправді повинна безкоштовно давати апгрейд на Nintendo Switch 2 і зробити гэта нормальними гульнями, каб яны хоць выглядалі як на PlayStation 4, тому що
Oh, very nice.
гэта жах. Я не ведаю, ведаеце вы або не, но паглядзіце, калі што, як выглядае Mortal Kombat на Nintendo Switch. Гэта ж жудасна.
Anyone can play.
Но калі яны будуць грошы яшчэ браць за гэтыя апгрейды, я пра NetherRealm і пра Mortal Kombat, гэта жудасна будзе.
Is that gonna...
Blanca.
Pretty close. All right, I have my CA though. Oh!
Wow.
Nice combo. All right.
Nice. All right.
One up. All right.
Pretty getting the blood pumping here.
Round 3. Fight.
Oh no. Let's see if I can get in a little bit jump.
There's
Oh!
even more heat kind of coming off you guys at this point.
That's so tough.
Oh, what is that? Nice, nice. Oh,
Oh,
yep.
ow. Owie. My toes, why?
Yes. Oh, it's connected.
That's right.
That was nice. All right, beat me at my own game.
And that is the best I've ever performed as you.
Well,
All
we've got this going.
Rippling muscles. Biceps, man.
We're gonna have to put this
Fierce.
back in a
Behind us,
duel really quick.
Yeah.
But as we were talking about these new
Гэта
modes for Nintendo
менюшка
Switch
так
2,
само, як і на звичайному
Let's,
Switch виглядає.
You got that?
There you go.
Ну
Nice,
і
yeah, so I'm gonna
головний
head
екран так
into
само виглядає, як і
It has to do with
гэтий
calories. Yes.
звичайний Nintendo
Not just
Switch.
any calories. In-game calories.
In-game calories.
Not our calories, but the in-game calories.
right?
There we go. You split it up. All right.
All right.
And now we got Kendra
Yes.
going. So once again, this is called Calorie Contest, and this is in-game calories. This is another really fun mode to play. Oh, just go ahead and press the plus or minus button.
There we
Get out of
go.
there.
Yep.
All right, we got you set
All
up.
right.
So player 1 on one side, player 2 on the other. Great. Go
Here
ahead
we go.
and ready up. Once again, the controls are the same here. Going to be tilting left and right to move, up and down for attack. Your super arts is doing a little bit of a twist. Yeah, you got it. You got it.
It's like a dance move.
All right, we can go ahead and close that menu.
And also just to put it out there, you know, I haven't played this hardly at all, so we're just gonna see.
Hey, no judgment
We're gonna
here.
see
That's the
what
beauty of this, right?
happens.
Anyone can jump in at any
All
time.
about having fun. That's
I'm
all it
looking.
is.
Where is he? Yes, there. That's who I want.
I'm gonna go with Luke.
I'll see him. He's
All
bendy,
And he's got some good
Twist.
range.
twisty. Yeah, he's.
All right.
I love him.
Oh, go ahead and
All right.
confirm again.
Yeah, there we go. I guess I'll go with the classic.
Classic link here.
And right now,
Okay.
this one, the beauty of this, right? It's not how much damage you do; it's how many calories.
The calories involved.
in game.
Yes, in game. But also, like, let's be real. We're gonna be moving. We're gonna
be burning some
Люк
calories here.
якось дай всім.
We are.
Going with the rhythm there. I love it.
All right. Oh my goodness.
Right, ready to shake and
I know.
burn those calories.
I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
Hey, you got this. I'm gonna also root for.
Ah, no. Oh no, already.
That's all right. It doesn't mean.
All right,
it doesn't mean
hey,
much.
hey,
Hey, you're doing all right.
Oh, okay.
So the damage you're doing here is also
I'm
gonna
going
obviously-
to burn calories.
Oh! Oh!
There we go.
You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it.
A little too
Yeah,
ambitious
getting
there.
excited.
Oh, punish counter.
Yeah.
Nice combo.
There you go. Oh,
Oh,
wait, is it
yoga
on?
flame. Yoga flame.
Yeah.
All right. This is
No.
looking pretty even though, most said, but it looks like Kendra's had a little bit. Ooh, this might
Oh
get
no,
you.
this is I'm in the
No, you
corner.
can't. No, you can't. You
Oh,
got it.
no. Punish counter.
Why would you do that?
Oh,
Leave
man,
me
I'm really
be.
feeling the burn.
Leave me be. Oh,
Oh, we're gonna get away from
ow.
that. All right, so
Hey,
it's pretty even.
why
right?
would
Come
you
on,
do
Kendra.
that though? Come on.
It's all the sake of burning these calories, right? Oh man, I'm
So many calories.
Oh, oh, there you go.
No.
you're really setting.
I
me
know.
aflame here.
I just like I can't help it. I'm too excited.
I don't know. You're really getting those moves out. I'm like,
So crunch
oh, crunch
time.
time. Let's burn. Let's go. Let's go. Oh!
It connected too.
Nice.
Well,
Okay.
All right, here we
Oh,
go.
no.
that's gonna miss.
Oh no! Oh, that teleport got me.
I
Crunch, crunch,
teleported.
crunch, crunch.
You
Here we
cannot.
go. Oh, I'm gonna go right into that yoga flame.
All right.
All right.
All right. Oh man, getting me everywhere. 5, 4.
No.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right.
Oh, I think Kendra
Oh my
might get you on
goodness.
this one. Yeah.
Oh.
Well done.
Oh, I'm on my
Look at-
elephant.
Окей.
Look at
Wow,
that.
way more.
God
than me.
juice. All right, I will take that. Can I get one of those? Like, that's cool.
Well, remember, the calorie count is given here. It's only an estimate.
It's true. Yes.
Подлик калорий и блюда.
At all.
I don't know.
No.
Я не
definitely
ведаю,
burned
что
some
там
calories.
называется.
You can feel the
Чему
heat.
дають?
That was intense.
Такое.
All right. Well,
Well
I
done,
think.
both of you.
Yeah, I think that's it for this one.
Well, we have one more thing to show, actually.
Oh,
we do.
we sure do.
Yeah, we have
Yes.
one more thing.
Yes.
Так, і апошня реч,
I
гэта,
was
і
gonna
мені
say,
здається,
so
гэта будзе зараз
We've got
хаб.
some things going on here on the table.
Yes.
Whatever could they be? Oh my! Oh,
Фігурки.
there they are.
We have our friends Ryu
Ryu
and
and
Ken.
Ken.
А,
Yeah.
Аміба,
We're here,
новая Аміба
but we also have joining the
від
cast.
Файтера.
We've got. There we go. We've got Luke. We've got Jamie and.
Новая Аміба Люк, Джиммі
She's
і
amazing.
You
Кімберлі.
can see that
Look at
they
that.
are very large looking.
Yeah, the
Super
scale
Яны
here, you can
больш,
see that
чым
they're bigger
звычайныя.
than Ken and Ryu.
Oh yeah, and with these
quite a bit.
with these figures, and even with Ken and Ryu, so there are the capabilities to save some of your data onto them. But the big things with
На їх можна
the new Amiibo here
заховувати
is that
ваші
they do
дані.
unlock exclusive rewards like music, device wallpapers.
Yep, yep.
І
and then you'll
яны
save some of your in-game
адчувають,
settings to them.
адчиняють нові
And
нагороди,
into your
як
friends
музика,
system, you can send a friend request, but also save some of your configurations for that character. So when
шпалери
you go in, you can jump right in and play with that
на
having
ваші
to configure
девайси.
on a friend system.
Yeah, and they also just look amazing.
They look really
They're
cool.
so good.
And then one last thing, I'm going to try to do my best little.
І ви
presentation
можете
slide here.
зробити свій
believe in
білд
you.
персонажа,
Do it.
заховати його на Амібу, привести до сябра і
Starter
просто
set,
просканувати
cards, and they also
свідчим
have
є
some
Аміба,
exclusive,
і вам не треба
rewards
буде
that they unlock
логінитися у свій
in-game
аккаунт,
for you.
одразу ваш
Art
персонаж
looks
буде.
They're so
Это,
fantastic.
о, і картки.
Yeah.
Yeah, so look forward to all of that. Street Fighter 6, years 1 to 2, Fighters Edition, Nintendo Switch 2. So that now, I was like, now that we've done that, I was just joking earlier. Next up, thank you so much for tuning in. Obviously, we had a total blast. Next up, Mario Kart World. Stay tuned.
Наступне знову Mario Kart World. Уже п'ятий раз. Ладно. Четвертый, ладно. Так, ну что. Протягиваем читать. Умовы перамогі залежаць не толькі ад результатаў ПВП, но і ад ПВЭ. То бок не толькі вы павінны забіць іншых гульцоў, но і, напрыклад, боса. Так, некаторыя умовы перамогі канцэнтруюцца на перамогі боса, напрыклад. Інтэрв'юер гаварыць, што ён не можа уявіць сябе, як гэта ўсё выглядае ў гульні, но гучыць цікава. Я рад, што вы гэта гаворыце, нягледзячы на тое, што ПВП або ПВЕ ідэі, якія ў гульне канцэнтруюцца на экспірыенсе гульцоў і дазваляе ім вывучацца і паляпшаць свае скілы ў гульне. І таму мы задызайнілі босаў у гульне, каб яны былі прадстаўлялі чэлендж, былі складнымі і давалі пасля іх перамогі пачуццё таго, што вы штосьці зрабілі, дабіліся чагосьці. Вось, гэтае пачуццё перамогі звычайнае, як у гульнях. в этой студии. Так, і таким чином же гульцы могуць гульцам можа падабацца вось гэта ашушэнне ашушэнне уже. Господи.
Чуваць барабанны і песня белавежы. Ува мне ўсё мае жаночы мужчынскі твар. Гучыць здалёк і перасякае межы. Ува мне сігналь з аўто імчацца хуткія. Ува мне тэатр, які пастаў і выстаяў. Людзі на
Гэтае пачуццё, так. Пачуццё паляпшэння сваіх скілоў, сваіх здольнасцей. То, што ты лепей становішся, пакуль гуляеш, вывучаеш штосьці. Так, у нас багата элементаў у гульні, каб яна не адчувалась статычнай. Напрыклад, тое, як гульцы сябе паводзяць падчас матчу, таксама вельмі важна, як і проста бойка. Ну, гэта змаганне з іншымі. У Desert Blowers мы імплементавалі поінты ачкі перамогі. І то, колькі ў вас, і будзе вырашаць вынік матчу. Каб атрымаць гэтыя поінты, конечно же, важна змагацца з іншымі, но гэта не адзіны шлях. Гэта не адзіны шлях. Некаторыя гульцы могуць некаторым гульцам можа падабацца зарабляць гэтыя поінты, не змагаясь з іншымі, а наадварот паводзяць себя больш апартуністычна. То, як вы зарабляеце поінты, залежыць толькі ад вас. І, дарэчы, кожны персанаж зможа прызываць сущнасць якуюсьці у выглядзе гноміка, каб дапамагчы вам у бое. І мы даём гульцам вялікую свабоду у гэтым плане. Як вам можна перамагаць не толькі за змагання, но і іншыя. Вось. Ну, цікава. Гарны скриншот. Ладно, повертаемся.
And we're going to be playing some more Mario Kart World. Yes. And we're going to be taking another look at the Grand Prix today. But this time we're going to do a different cup, and we're going to be taking a look at some different courses that we haven't shown yet on Nintendo Treehouse Live. So that'll be fun for everyone. Stay tuned.
Ну і знову нові треки, які ми ще не бачили, нова зона.
A dedicated Mario Kart World Direct that's going to be coming up in a few weeks.
І праз 2 неділі яшчэ будзе асобная трансляцыя по Mario Kart World. Вось, калі вам цікава, глядзіце. Я не буду глядзець. Мне ўжо хопіць. Мне здаецца, што марна вы за учора і за сёння у нас будзе гадзіна геймплею, як мінімум Mario Kart.
Alright, let's do it. Okay, let's get
Ну
going.
ладно.
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead
Here,
and...
you might want to check real quick. You might have auto or smart steering turned.
Oh, yeah, go back one.
Вітаю, Мендрик.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, okay.
Don't want that.
Let me double check mine. Mine is
Як
false.
справи?
You're all good.
Woohoo.
Як
Call,
п'ятниця.
Good call.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, let's go to
We're going to be taking a look at the Star Cup.
Then we'll do 150.
150 cc. And as
Are you up
can
to
see-
the task?
Я напевно так само наївся Mario
Yeah,
Kart.
this time we're doing the Grand Prix with 2 players.
Yes.
Так.
Wish us luck.
And you can see the region of the world that we're
А
that we're
тепер
gonna
ми
be
у
in
горах,
for
у
this cup.
снігу.
Looks exciting.
Ні.
I do really
Зима
like
тільки
this
пройшла,
cup a
мені
lot. I
поки не
just think the
хочеться
levels are so
снега.
beautiful.
Yeah, the
there's
way it all
some-
looks.
Yeah, some fun twists and turns and water elements, which will be fun to
Ой,
navigate.
морожка. Слухайте, я схожу, возьму себе морожку.
That's a lot of fun. I love
Побачила і
Really
захотілось.
fun.
Зараз повернусь.
All right,
Right.
first race. Good luck, Kay.
Good luck, D.
So the first time we showed off Grand Prix, we showed off 4 all new courses, and these are 4 returning courses. But as you'll see as they play, they look so different and play so
Yes.
different that they don't really feel like returning courses.
They're like
They're-
a new and improved.
Yeah,
Oh, no.
they're heavily remixed.
Oh no.
That turn always gets me.
I'm doing okay. I'm in third.
That turn has gotten me in every version
Every
of Mario
single-
Kart that this
I
course has
know.
appeared in.
Every single time. It's okay. I'll catch up.
I'm getting there. I'm looking good. Still in fifth, but the goal for me is to hang back a little bit.
That's a stylish combination for Peach.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
I just love the bow in her hair.
Yeah, it looks great.
Oh my gosh.
I think it pairs really well with the vehicle you chose.
It really does.
I am just throwing out all the items.
I can see that.
How you like that banana peel?
How do you like this bullet bill?
Oh,
Yeah, that's what I thought.
D, you're a hammer bro. See if you can get a hammer.
I know, I'm gonna try to. Let's see, come on. And then, oh gosh, why did I get in ninth? When did that happen?
Nice work, Kay.
Thanks.
First place.
No.
No, sorry.
No, you jinxed it.
I won't say anything.
It was that
I won't
one
say anything.
turn. It gets me every time. Okay, we're fine.
All right, can you snipe
catch
D?
up.
Oh no.
You might get someone on the ricochet.
Я ж это
I
добре.
was trying to pass
We're
it
okay.
there.
We're okay.
Okay.
We're okay. We're fine. No, we're
Okay,
not
you're
fine.
only-
We're not
you're-
fine.
А мы,
Where's the
а мы
item?
вас
You're
уже
on
другую
lap two.
годину
It's
глядим
Okay.
и читаем параллельно интервью Миядзаки на конт The Dusk Blood.
No, it's not.
Вось.
Okay.
Oh no. Well,
І
good
пакуль
thing
тое, што мы вычыталі, гэта будзе Battle Royale мультиплеерны.
always have fight.
Вось.
No!
How it always
It's okay.
happens.
Ну,
You've got one
яким
more lap.
звичайним
I'm still
матчі будзе скончуватися, калі апошній стаїть, або, дякую, великий, або там і може бути мета матчу, наприклад, забити боса, і тоді треба буде тімапитися,
She's my
What is that,
nemesis.
some rivalry
разом
you got
забивати з
going on?
My
іншими
nemesis.
Oh no!
гульцями.
I gotta get really.
That's a sharp turn. Sharp
Вось.
It really is.
Makes
І
Mario Circuit
што
look
там будзе, як это,
Okay, there we
як
go.
у Overwatch або у Marvel Rivals ужо
like- Let's see.
Okay.
персонажі, як казаць, ужо зроблены, но їх можна будзе
You two
кастамізаваць.
are doing great.
Вось.
Arr. Can I?
Can you get it?
I think I got.
Як-то так.
Nice work,
Oh
Kay.
no! I bumped myself.
Can you keep it?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Nice work.
Oh, I came in
work.
fourth. Oh no! I was right around the corner. I ended up getting hammers when it was too late. All right, I can still do this. I can
First and
still do
fourth.
this.
Yeah. You're,
I got
you're both
some
still in
ground
the
If
mix.
mix.
things could change so fast, like
Yeah, it
I'm gonna
just
try not to
started.
bloat too much.
All right, let's keep going. On to the next race here.
Oh my gosh.
All right. We're going to
Starview
Starview
Peak.
Peak,
Yeah.
and we're going to drive there.
Yes. Oh man. All right.
Because again, these courses are connected in the world.
Here we go. All right. Just going.
Did you get your rocket starts?
Yes.
Eat my snowflakes.
All right, we're gonna keep doing this. How am I in fourth again? All right.
See, I told you Rosalina was my nemesis.
You've got first again, though. Or
Yeah.
you're
Do I?
trading. You're trading.
Yeah.
Hi.
Oh no, and you got a red shell.
Sure do. Has your name on it. Oh,
Oh, I got a green shell.
come on,
okay.
eat your dinner. No, no. Oh no.
Oh
Okay,
yeah,
all
someone
right.
just went back and said,
That
okay.
was Yoshi.
And you didn't have to hold down a button to,
Correct.
Yep.
to have that item behind you in a defensive.
Боже хна.
It's kind of a double-edged
Oh.
sword because it can protect you, but also
Вітаю,
whoever runs into it
Гоб,
just takes it away.
NNX.
So if you had a plan for it, it's like, well,
Чому не
Kinda
рокали?
just happened
well,
actually.
I guess that's
Ну, насамрэч,
Let's see where. Okay.
гэта
You're
проста
right
залежыць
there.
ад таго, над чым ты раней
Nice
гуляў.
try.
First and second. Nice work, you two.
Калі хочаш,
I got a lot of ground to
а
make
калі у
up
тебя
here.
вялікая стімаўская бібліятэка, то набывае Steam Deck,
Are you gonna
і гэта
hold
ўсё.
that?
Кансолі Nintendo набываюць не за графікай, не за фреймрейтам, набываюць за гэтым экспірыенсам Nintendo. І плюс зараз Nintendo Switch 2 гэта першая кансоль, якая ад Nintendo, у якой будзе поўная гэта сумясцімасць з папярэдняй версіяй. То бок, калі тыя, у каго і так вялікая бібліятэка на Switch, ім проста невыгадна набываць што Rock Ally, потому што ім нанова прыйдзецца набываць ці гульні. Вось і ўсё.
Oh, this section is so pretty.
Як-то так. Ну і калі відавочна, калі яны былі фанатамі Nintendo, яны, напрыклад, фанаты Mario Kart, навошта ім набываць Rock-Ally, дзе не будзе новага вось Mario Kart, і што яны будуць гэтым рабіць? Ну, гэта, говорю, асабістая справа кожнага. А ў кагосьці няма сяброў, хтосьці ніколі не гуляў Mario Kart, ім пофіг, і яны набывалі Switch, напрыклад, каб гуляць у Doom партатыўны, таму што на той момант яшчэ не было Steam Deck, і яны набывалі Switch, ну, як партатыўную кансоль. Вось і ўсё. Кансольная ідэалогія, так. І Wolfenstein тады выходзіў, і GTA Vice City таксама выходзіла, ну, карацей. Тады гэта была адзіная кансоль. Но калі іх не цікавілі ні Zelda, ні Mario, ні Mario Kart, ні там нават Astral Chain, напрыклад, або Bayonetta, то... Ну, гэта ўсё вкусаўшчына. Гэта густаўшчына. Вось.
Nope. Stay away from me with those bananas. No. No.
Nice dodging, Kay.
Thanks.
Somebody's drafted on you.
Yeah, but I did the same.
Hi. Oh no. Oh no.
I don't like being first right
Get
now.
your coin.
Oh, and I'll take that. That was nice.
Nice work.
Let's do this. Okay.
Oh, we've got some penguin buds.
Rosalina, my nemesis, is back.
I'll take that. Okay, you're right behind me. Oh no.
Get her.
Nice.
Oh,
It was a good shot,
come
though.
on.
Oh no.
Give me something better than bananas.
I just gotta try to maintain. Oh man, I gotta go.
Take them away.
Well, you didn't even get to keep
I
them,
know,
so-
take them away. I don't even want to look at them.
And you could see in the distance there, we're coming up on the next course.
Don't tell BK I said that about bananas.
Oh, I missed.
All right, all right, all right, all right. All right, all right.
Oh no.
Break,
oh, no. Okay.
break.
All right, all right.
Okay.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
Oh, I started the blast. No.
I was
Ну,
trying
до
to tell you to
речі,
break.
гульні від Nintendo виглядають лепі, чим, ось, наприклад, виглядав Street
I
Fighter
just called you
6.
DK.
I was gonna let it fly.
D.
Ну, я не ведаю. Плаўнее
DK on the
нават
brain.
ідзе
Oh my
ўсё.
gosh.
Мне
Get away from
здаецца.
me.
Асабіста.
There we go.
Маё
again.
меркаванне.
Oh, I'm charging shot. Hey, okay, cool.
All right, all right, all right. This is fine. This is not
So
fine.
this is
Oh no.
That backfired.
Comic just turned you into Charge and
Oh,
Chuck,
that was
and
a
now
wall.
they're
That
yeah,
is a
they're
wall.
everywhere.
Oh
Okay,
my goodness.
all right, we're fine.
I don't know if I can get in this position.
You could bring it back. You're okay.
Oh gosh.
Items can save
Oh
you.
gosh. Oh gosh. I am lost. I am lost.
D, is this your comeback?
Oh no, I totally messed this up, you guys. I misread the lay of the land.
Nice.
Give me something good, please.
Come on. Come on. Throw it back.
All right.
Ну і,
Now
до
it's
речі,
a
інді-гульні будуть виглядати однольково.
Yeah, I
І
basically
тут, і
took a
там.
right
Ну,
into
і
a
на
wall.
свічі, і на рогі, і
It
на
was not a good
стімдекі.
moment for me.
No, I'm okay with
Тільки
that.
якість екрана буде їх відрознювати.
Still
Ну,
in first.
тут хоч і буде LCD-шка, но з підтримкою HDR
Okay.
Я
It's
лишу,
all down to
что-
Wario Shipyard.
Oh my goodness.
нормальово все. Ось.
As I play.
А праз 3 годы
Not really, not at all.
праз 3 года атрымаем зноў OLED-версію і Light.
All right, coffee time.
Ну, будзе ўсё добра.
Okay. Oh, this is so nerve-wracking.
Ну, дакладна, я не гуляю ў партытыве, ну, вельмі рэдка, і таму мне і LCD-шніка хапае. Я гуляю ў стацыянарным рэжыме.
Oh, come on.
Вось, больш.
Saw the shadow of a helicopter fly
На
overhead.
Yeah,
свече.
there's a helicopter up there. Just hanging out.
Okay, don't take that.
Oh, my goodness.
You got a few.
Well, there go all 3 of my red shells. Wow.
On this
I will
icy part of
take
the
it.
course.
I will
Oh my
take it.
gosh.
This is looking pretty
Got some
good.
skating Goombas to dodge.
You know, I'm just gonna bide my time back
Yeah,
here.
this part is really cool. When you're driving on the water, your vehicle transforms into like a
Yes,
watercraft
that
mode.
looks great.
Well, and if it's super, if the waves are super choppy, then
Yeah.
you have a chance to kind of use them.
Yeah, the
Give
water.
yourself a little bit of a boost.
The water feels a lot different to race on.
Yeah, you can even do little jumps.
Yeah, you
That's-
get
yeah,
some
that's
little.
that's what I mean.
Yeah. Oh, missed.
Oh. Hey,
Oh,
look what I've
man.
got waiting
Oh,
for
no,
you.
You can check out the weather on this course is really cool.
I know,
too.
it's kind of
Oh, no,
it's
no.
kind of hard to see. No.
Okay, I really gotta do
Oops, wrong way. No, come on. Oh.
See, you're still in it.
Yeah, I'm not doing
Can't.
too bad. I'll
Okay,
take
all you need are some items.
I just need some good items. Let's see what I can get here. Okay. All right. We can make this work.
Oh,
if we
no!
If we must.
Oh, wow. I just got totally wrecked right there. Okay.
It happens. 150cc, man.
Yeah. Can I get in there? Oh, boy.
Just have to be D. Just have to be D. That's all we're doing.
Okay.
Oh no, the sand.
It's getting intense.
Oh
yeah.
no, the sand.
Get her! Yes!
Oh no! Oh no! Come on!
I will take it. Okay.
Okay.
Fifth and sixth. But remember, you're competing for
Oh,
overall
come on!
standing.
Have that ball in the top.
Overall standings.
Oh, this is so close. You're. Oh, how did you get a star? What?
Go!
No! My coffee.
Ура! Конец гонки. Ну, магчыма, зараз яшчэ адна
Overall
будзе.
standings, K. Nice work.
Thank you.
Nice
I
work.
feel like I've redeemed myself from this
Я
morning.
просто спадзяюсь, говорю, побачыць як мінімум Elden Ring
That one is
і
really
Кіберпанк.
All
Асабіста
right.
Кіберпанк, тому што ён выходзіць на рэлізе кансолі. Як ён на ёй выглядае, мне
All right, so
цікава.
now we're gonna go ahead.
And there were lots of paths on that course that you didn't take. There
Не,
rail riding
Мандрейк, у меня нема
opportunities.
всех
There's just a lot
поколений.
going on everywhere.
Хотелось бы, но не. У меня мало консолей,
All right.
но яны ёсць.
We'll take after this. We'll take one more look at free roam. Yeah. Third place.
Но я
Rosalina, you
поважаю
did-
все
you did
консоли,
beat
я
your rival.
поважаю всех
Your rival.
виробников.
Second with no coffee.
Oh, and
Вось.
there she is, the
Oh.
champion, our beloved.
well done.
Я лічу, што мы все ў гэтай лодкі разам гульнявой індустрыі і
I'm taking that one with
як
me.
казаць.
That was
Я
really-
хочу,
that
каб
was really fun.
всем было добра, все рабілі гульні, ніхто не зачыняўся. У нас было бы только больш і больш студый, больш гульней у розных жанрах, нават тых жанрах, якія мне не падабаюцца.
Yeah, let's get back into free roam mode and we can see what it looks
Таму
like.
што чым больш у нас
on some of the
будзе
other
гульцоў,
courses.
тым больш у нас увогуле будуць гульней.
So let's go
Вось.
back over to Wario Shipyard.
Oh yeah.
This was such a cool course.
Нават мабілкі.
Crazy.
I was trying to catch as many waves as possible. It was-
Yeah.
But there were
Чым больш
items on the
туды з добрымі
outside, so
гульнямі,
it's
тым
just
лепш
like,
для
I
гульцоў.
don't know. It's so
Так,
tough. Where do I
згодна,
go? I
Рігана.
love it though. So many different options.
Yeah, and the cool thing about again in free roam mode, the Locky 2 doesn't come and pick you up when you drive off the
Yeah.
course.
You
can
And
just
can
go
kinda,
anywhere,
You can
yeah.
kind of take it easy and relax. We saw another racer driving over there.
Но при гэтым я за крытыку канструктыўную. То бок, ну, можна крытыкаваць зараз Nintendo за, напрыклад, за гэтую гульню, якая туторыял. О, зараз нам паказваюць адчынены свет. Вось, і што тут є зоны, куды можна вытрапляць таемныя. Ну, карацей, так, скончу свою мысль, што крытыкаваць можна. Гэта ж не тое, што я тут говорю, што все студыі святыя, няма дрэнных у іх рашэнні. Не. Но просто гэта павінна быць канструктыўная крытыка, а не просто «Всё, Nintendo зажралась, больше не куплю ни одну гульню от Nintendo, каб яны, я не ведаю, там абанкроціліся ўсё». Не, я ім такого не жадаю.
Yeah, and once again, oh, look at this.
Just hanging out.
Oh, yeah, look out in the distance there.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's really neat. And once again, there's more to free roam mode than we're talking about
Ай,
here. So please
зорка.
stay tuned for the dedicated Mario Kart Direct. That's
Ми
gonna be
тут
coming up in a few
глядім
weeks.
Марио Карт.
But
Гульні
let's
ад
see, I
Маріо,
wanna- I
о,
wanna get
гульні ад
another jump
Нінтендо.
and then see if we can get another fun photo to end the segment.
Які вийдуть на Nintendo Switch 2, якої вийде раз в 2 місяці.
And there's where Kay fell and somehow
Hey, you know
You get to
what?
relive the memories.
You can
still
make
beat
fun
me.
all you
You
want.
still
I
beat
still
me.
got first place.
Yep,
All right.
yep, you still
I
did.
like
Добре,
doing the
добре.
jumps here.
It takes a true winner to recover from a fall like that.
Well said.
All right.
Надвор'я добре,
Yeah.
сонейка
And
було
then we'll turn
сьогодні
that
цілий
off, and
день.
we'll end on our friend,
Hey.
the Hammer brother,
Pure
enjoying
joy.
living his best life.
До речі, завтра у
Thank you
тебе
very
все
much,
усилия.
B and K.
Ти там
That was
хотіла
another look
засесть
at
овер
Mario Kart World
вечором.
in the Grand Prix mode. But stay tuned because coming up next, we've got some more Donkey Kong Bonanza. All right.
Так,
Bye, everyone.
наступне Donkey Kong Bonanza. Зноў. Мы учора ўжо глядзелі, сёння яшчэ раз паглядзім. Не, Nintendo, я не дам сябе забаніць, на жаль. Так. І мы працягваем чытаць інтэрв'ю Міядзакі, заснавальніка From Software, якой распрацоўвае новую гульню The Dusk Bloods, якая выйдзе ў наступным годзе эксклюзіўна для Nintendo Switch 2. Мы учора бачылі, пакажыце Elden Ring. Канешне, я буду на энергетыках і Локін. О, вось, добра. Карацей, мы пакуль па палову прачыталі, тут 3 старонкі інтэрв'ю, мы прачыталі першы, вось палову другой. Тое, што хуценька. Dusk Bloods гэта будзе Battle Royale. Тут будуць уже пресетныя персонажы, но іх можна будзе кастамізировать, то бок будзе ростер персонажей. Стылістика вікторіанская, вампірская, но именно ў романтычным плане вампірская. Вось. Будуць лакацыі з розных гэтых перыядаў віктарыянства. Вось, напрыклад, там быў чыгуначны вакзал. Ну, на прошлой сторонке получилось. Вось, можна будзе саманіць, но вось гэта злева саман. Вось, каб дапамагалі ў змаганні. Матч скончваецца, калі да апошняга гульца, або калі мэта выконваецца матча, напрыклад, перамагчы боса. Міядзакі вырашыў, гэта не будзе анімэ. Так, на жаль, больш анімэ не рысую. Пабачыў на гэты тренд, якой зараз Шыі робіць студыю у стылі студыі Гіблі, ўсё, і такое всё. Скончваем з анімацыяй. Там ужо ўсё загублена. Шыі ўжо заняў нішу. Ладно, працягваем чытаць. Таксама і гульня будзе хаб, з якога будзе збірацца матчмейкінг, і потым вы будзеце перапраўляцца ў матч. І будуць розныя лакацыі для матчу. Дзякую, Spotify. Вось. То бок гэта будзе тупа па матчам. Проста не пабегаеш там па лакацыям. І ў гульне будзе сістэма івентаў, мерапрыемств, ладно, не мерапрыемств, а штосьці здарацца будзе падчас матча. У гэтай сістэмы є патэнцыял, і яна будзе змяняцца падчас матча. Вось. Напрыклад, спецыяльны вораг будзе спаўніцца і дадатковыя мэты, пры выкананні якіх вам будуць дадзеныя бонусныя нагороды. Я тут немного каб чуць трансляцыю. У трэйлеры вы маглі пабачыць гіганцкая каменная лік, ну, як луна выглядала з мажоры. Гэта адзін прыклад такога івента, якое можа здарыцца падчас матча. У таком выпадку зараз дачытаю і пойдзем у Донкі Конга глядзець. У гэтым выпадку з'яўленне гэтага ліка змяняе лакацыю і змяняе нагароды матча. І гэта змяняе мэты гульцоў адразу і іх матывацыі.
Sure. Well, if you want to open up the map screen by hitting the minus button,
Sure.
We can look at a few landmarks here.
Okay.
If you want to head off to the right section of the map, and you turn a little bit, you see that little hidden alcove down there?
This one here?
Yeah, that one there.
Бібізян,
That's actually
так.
a hidden void stake right there.
Oh, I
You can
see
make
it.
out on the left. So there's
О,
sometimes more than
цікава
one
мапа
void stake
зроблена.
in any given layer. Which
Ти
means there's an alternate
адзумліваєшся
way
і
to
бачиш
progress
всі,
further.
We've got to kind of
все
head along the
гэты
edge here.
Yeah, so I mean, you can
Зроуні.
head over the edge, through the edge.
Through the edge?
левела.
Let's
I
see
like
what
where this
happens.
is going.
Yeah.
I'm just punching downward here.
Yeah,
see what I
let
can
Going
find.
down.
Let your
Going down.
muscles be your guide.
Як усі
I think
пласти
this is the
землі.
room that we
Весь.
found yesterday.
Careful,
Let's go.
DK. Careful, DK.
Okay, here's the
Yeah,
barrel
so that'll take you
cannon.
back up.
And there's a... Oh, no, I don't want to do that.
that?
I know you're excited about getting in a barrel cannon.
О, до речі, ми раніше бачили, що він був у штанах, а ось він без штанов знову, як у старих
I mean,
гульнях.
that's how you play the game, right?
Донкі Конг.
So let's see. This one comes out this way.
Кринжі. Так.
Yeah, like I said, there's all sorts of fun stuff hiding all
Ти
over
так
these
ви
layers.
не вірите.
Wouldn't
Ой, ми
necessarily
вже
know it's there. It's
нажартувались.
not necessarily
Ми ж
telegraphed
трейлер
in advance. So
побачили
it's really on YouTube
2 дні
for,
тому на самій
punch your way through
презентації,
things.
і там були жарти. До речі, ми з Богемой їх глядели, коли що запис є, і на каналі, і на ютубі.
Go through here.
Ось, і там уже були жарти і про Солігорськ,
I'm just gonna create
і
my
про
own
мауп,
path here.
і про банани. Про все
Would
було.
love to, you know what?
You can definitely brute force your
Ось так бабульку у траліку розгрібає. І хапаєш одну бабульку, і іншу бабульку. і-
Yeah, they're definitely your fastest way forward.
Yeah.
Oh, see?
Oh, okay.
You're already on the other side.
We
Whoa.
found the
Close
edge
one.
of the island.
All right.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay.
О,
Let's
всё.
just grab on here and we'll climb.
Конець острова. Край.
Major jump.
Good reflexes, DK.
Yeah. All right. Now, what is the sand? I don't want sand.
Oh, you're creating art.
Okay. Well, let's see. Let's do
Мгм.
some.
Ну, тут можна ось зміняти камні, зміняти їх форму, можна будувати навіть щось.
Yeah.
Oh no, you're still on your way.
Типово вже
Oh,
Харсельгорську, так.
It's to the right, correct?
Okay.
Без
You know what?
штанов.
If it's over there, I'm gonna
І без
grab
лаптей
some
навіть.
boom rock down there. I'm gonna grab some of that. Help me kind of clear a path. Ooh, thanks.
Yeah, can't resist boom rock.
Not
Can
at
I
all.
climb with it? Yep. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, DK's got very strong calves, very strong toes.
Мгм.
Doesn't skip leg day.
There we
Так.
go.
You have made a door.
I have made a doorway.
Oh, and if you'll,
Гэта прототип
if
чада.
you'll, punch that shifty stone.
Гігачада.
Yeah, let's see. I'm gonna really make a fool of myself here. Oh no.
Get over there.
Yeah, you got it. You got it.
Homo
you got it.
chat.
Oh, you're gonna make quick work of this.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yes, yes, thank you, thank you. It's beautiful.
All right.
Yeah, all
I don't think
right.
you showed that one before, so that's awesome.
No, that was a fun one.
Yeah, that's a new one. All right, we're
Really
still making
easy.
our way
Okay, so this
down
is where
There
we're
we
going
go.
over here. Oh, look at this. Something to punch. I'm
What
gonna,
isn't there to
I'm gonna
punch?
get some air time, all right?
Yeah, very
Is
good.
this, am I on a monkey head?
Odds are very good. Okay.
I mean, I kind of blew a hole through it, so we won't get into that.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's art. All right. Got it? Yeah.
Oh, here
One
we
hit
are.
down already. Nicely done, Kay.
Great. Oh,
So-
and there's a monkey over there. Hi.
Now, since we've been through this layer one time before, I think it might actually be fun to pop down there and see what's waiting for you down there.
Sure. Oh, let me just get this treasure chest real quick. 'Cause if you're anything like me, you're
Небось, я
gonna get
также
distracted by all
замес
the
лифта у
shiny.
корпуса на 9 этаж.
Oh, this game is very good for that.
Ага, и вниз также
There's
просто
so
вот
many
так
shinies.
Thanks.
Yeah.
хренакаешь.
Pretty much everywhere you deform, you will naturally encounter vanadium gold, chunks of it, little pebbles of it.
So are we gonna take the plunge?
Yeah,
У
go ahead
шахту
and dive
просто.
punch down there if you want to. There you go.
Oh.
Now we're not going to let you
Я
see
pierwsza сказала,
everything down
бей.
here. We will give you a brief little glimpse of sublayer 101, which is one floor down.
Oh boy, lots of stuff to do down there.
But now we'll take you
Подпласт
back.
101.
We'll take you back to the start of the layer.
Steve, do you want to play?
Yeah. Yes, I do.
Welcome back to Ape Cape. You can see
Камнями
that
кидаюсь
gold on the
у
ground there
інших,
marks
да.
where
Я
you
не
return,
сомневалась.
just in case you want a little identifier.
I'm just gonna go ahead and destroy everything. So I don't even know where I'm
Вот
going.
гляди,
I
нават
don't
калі
even
ты не
know.
хочешь прыгать, тебе не трэба натискать кнопку прыжка, ты просто идешь наперед и месишь все, и пробиваешь с собой уровень,
I've been
и просто
upgrading.
насквозь проходишь.
I'm just gonna punch my way through everything.
Don't forget the hand slaps. You collect all the
Кому
collectibles
потрібна кнопка
I wanna
And maybe
стрибка?
there could be something hidden, so the sonar for the hand slap is good for that.
DK's carving himself out.
There you go.
Nice little
Yeah.
area here.
Okay.
Ось и все, ось и прошли.
Bye, Buzzoid.
It was all by design.
Just gonna start swinging on my way down. I'm not gonna even
Definitely.
go.
Definitely one way to make an
Definitely a
entrance.
good way to play.
I can't imagine why the locals aren't friendly to outsiders.
Oh, I have just begun.
Oh no, he's found the boom rock. Oh, you found a hidden area below.
Oh, look at
Another
that.
hidden area with more goodies.
Oh,
bet
more
there's-
boom rock.
Еще одна таинная зона, печора.
Yeah, why don't you aim for some of those geysers and see what pops out?
Let's see. Oops. No, I'm gonna just crash right in.
Yeah, that's,
До речі, на психологу вчуся, ближайших годов 5 не ходите до
that's
психолога.
actually a great way to
И когда
demonstrate
ты
you can
себе
surf on
клиентуру
any kind of terrain,
подпорядковываешь,
but they will
5
interact with
раз
the surrounding
годов
environment
ты
in
уже
different ways. So you surfing on
выпустишься и
that boom
такая,
rock and
ха,
hitting the wall actually causes
вось мое поле
specifically Dean.
ментально хворых геймеров.
Good choice, Dean.
Of
Yeah,
course.
yeah.
Oh, look at all of this.
He's made a good choice.
Yes. Yes.
I'm gonna just pick it up by blowing it up. Yeah.
Very good.
Oh.
Oh, there was a concrete slab on
Yeah.
the wall there.
See it?
That's one way to do it.
I'm not done yet. All right. Let's
Yeah, what haven't you done? Oh,
Hey.
the treasure chest. Get that treasure chest.
Не, ну насамрэч я лічу, што гэта вельмі, як казаць,
All right. Well,
ну,
Ooh, you can find this
бізнес,
rock out here if you want to.
сапраўды.
Yeah, I like that.
Чалавек дбае пра сваю будучыню.
Yeah, grab a chunk of boom rock.
all right. Let's.
Гэта вымно.
There you go.
Excellent work.
Yeah. Get over there.
Eat him.
Yeah, got the key from that guy. Let's leave that key be for now. Let's
Of
keep
course.
exploring a little bit. Ooh, try hitting a Buzzoid with some boom rock.
That's so satisfying,
Oh,
though.
yeah, I'm not done.
Can I tell you the rumble while you're playing this game, the
Feels
impact sounds,
amazing.
specifically the sounds. This game's sounds incredible. Headphones are going to be very important for playing this
Oh, I
game.
tried
Oh my
to pick that
gosh.
up.
It's okay. There's an apple that
I
popped out
think
of the
an
ground.
apple. Yeah, there it is.
I'll take it.
Right. An apple a day keeps the Buzzoid away.
Nope. Missed me.
Get a D.
There we go.
Very good.
Oh, I see. There's something over here.
Don't
So
forget
wait.
your hand slaps, Steve.
Yeah. I can't help it. I just like punching everything at first.
Yeah, so you can't get through that concrete by hand. You're going to have to resort to sturdier methods.
Try right. Let's try.
That was nice. That was really
Oh,
nice.
Try.
Pulling off some skate tricks, Steve.
Let me get some more boom rock, which is over here.
It is very handy to have that so conveniently nearby.
Oops, oops.
Whoops.
I'm getting too excited.
I know.
Making my way back over.
Now knock gently.
DK, not gently.
There we go.
What game are you playing?
Yeah, ooh, you found a fossil.
Let's do it. All right, make more way through. Yeah.
Yeah.
Мистер Соу зато з гальштуком.
So, all
Ну,
this destruction and you have yet to find a banana.
галонний
I
гальштук,
know.
так.
What are you
Yeah.
doing?
Remember, punch with purpose. And your purpose is potassium.
Головне бути культурним, опрятним, свіжим.
Now, so with this sculpture, D, what is your artistic intent? What is-
Донкі Конг кльовий, безумовно. Так, згодна.
Yeah, you're expressing yourself.
Ну, гэта
yeah,
сістем
very
селер.
clearly.
Ён, вось гэта будзе як Маріо Одіссея.
Yeah, I think you're coming up on a.
І добре, што ён выходзіць не як Маріо Одіссея, тому што Маріо Одіссея гэта
Alright.
год, по-моєму, пройшов після запуску
Head in that
Свіча.
direction, see what happens.
Яна вийшла, а тут
Hello.
місяць усього.
Those things pop really
То бок
fast
і якраз
afterwards.
гэты месяц будзе на тое, каб людзі набывалі свае свічы, таму што не все змогуць атрымаць свіч прямо на запуске. Ну, я маю на увазі все, хто у каго ўжо і грошы є, адложаны, то бок будзе дэфіцыт, ну, 100%.
You are a master of
І
destruction.
якраз за месяц все себе знайдуць якимсь чынам
Oh, yeah,
свіч.
yeah, pull up the map. Let's see
Два.
what you've done, D. Yeah,
І
tilt
нам
that thing
будуть
around, using
був
the
такий
other-
селковий анекдот, чому ви без меткову, так мені ніхто не бачить, а що ми вугольщики,
My very
раптом
light
хто
pointed
побачить.
strike
Так.
compared to your just like wave of destruction.
That's true. Yeah, I love that though because you can see there's so many different ways.
До
to
речі,
play Bonanza.
круто,
You
що
can play it
мапа
the
у
K way with
3D, і ти
strikes.
бачиш
You can
всі
play the D way,
гэта,
where you're basically creating art as you go.
всю мапу, можеш призумлюватися, всі пласти.
I'll tell you what, why don't you hand that control back to me, D? I don't want to show off a couple more things. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry to rip you away.
It
Yeah,
really is just really fun to play.
I want to show off a couple more things here. There's more of this area we haven't explored yet. And I think one more void stake is actually hiding over
Nice
in this
catch.
area. Thank you very much. Now, these peekaboo boys are going to make it harder than I want it to be. I'll just make
That was
quick
less
work of them
effective.
as quick as I can.
Probably should have been.
There's so many of them. Hand slap this guy.
hand
Make sure
slap.
that I can get up to this environment here.
There's another void stick right there.
I'm going to clear out that concrete because I can see a path I'm going to want to climb along.
Perfect.
There we go. No, hang on. Punch these barrels real quick. There we go.
Ну, Мандрейк, завтра у Зорки буде стрім, приходь і вимагай з її лайфхаки.
So, another void stake's been hiding here the entire time. We didn't explore this earlier, but now that we're here,
Yeah.
you give that a couple whacks, open that up.
Oh, hello.
More Vanadium gems have appeared below. That was a bigger void stake, and bigger void stakes will create more Vanadium gems. But we're gonna dive down here and see where we land. See
Another
what's waiting
sneak
for us in this
peek.
area. Yeah.
Вона так само стрімерка, да, зараз.
Oh, yeah, down. Wow.
Зараз я, як собі легче було, шатаут зараз зроблю. Просто натиснеш кнопочку, навіть не будеш заходити моєго стріма. Ось тримай.
One other cool trick I want to show is that if we've already been exploring a layer and we have these little checkpoints on the map, we can actually zip right there by teleporting.
Ah. Oh.
That looks safe.
I don't think there's any reason to explain what just happened, right? It's pretty clear.
No, not
Good,
at all.
great. Okay, so that is one easy way to zip around, though. One really fun way to kind of get an idea of
Get back
where the
on
map
track
is.
if you end
Explore.
up, yeah,
Oh,
following
and then,
your heart.
yeah, and then again, also, don't forget, you can always press L to make music with odd rock.
Ой, до
together to
речі,
point you where you want to go. So,
тое,
right now,
што
it is
мне
kind of
так
pointing us
само
underground.
падабаецца
It
ў
wants
новым
us to go further
свіче,
down,
яны
so,
наконец зрабілі якасны гук. Ну, або як мінімум заявілі, што таксама будзе 3D-гук.
open up the reservoir.
Не такой прям супер якасны, як на PlayStation 5, но як мінімум, як на PlayStation 4 будзе.
Oh, we know.
Нават лепей,
I
мне
think
здаецца.
you've made your intent very clear.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, one other thing I haven't really
То бок
shown off
гэта
yet at all
добре,
is,
таму
this
што
game also has
ну, у гульнях ад Nintendo ўсё добра з гукам на звычайным
And I
свіче,
think this might actually be
но
a great way to get a
ад
sense of just how
якіх-нибудь
expressive
лінівых
and animated
разрабаў
he is in
яны
this
могуць
adventure.
якую-нибудь
Yeah, he's
не так
so
зжаць
fun in
гук,
this
і
game. His
ён
expressions, his
не
reactions
вельмі
to
добра
things, even
гучыць.
just his movements are always changing.
Тебе хто-небудь ёсць у чаціку, хто не стрыміць? Ёсць ты, Мэндры, каб ты стрыміш.
See if I can capture some more fun
Вось
expressions here.
Яська не стрыміць.
I think that's my favorite
Ну,
one.
дарэчы,
Got a special
я ўжо гэта гаварыла, но мне падабаецца, што
Yeah, let's see what else I
вось
can do.
стрымеры глядзяць стрымераў, і вось ты гледачы, вы таксама
Good. Oh, you can
пачынаеце
see the impact
стрыміць.
of it happening right
Таму
now.
што насамрэч
I
у
love
нас
that
зараз
about this.
не все
Yeah,
ніші
there's a-
заняты. А я хочу, каб былі заняты все ніші
Yeah, there's a real sense of power. You can
на
see he's actively
беларускамоўным
shaking
твічы,
himself
таму
right
што ну,
now
у
on
нас,
that lap.
напрыклад, няма
Which really adds to the
стрымера
effect, I think.
па Харстоуну.
DK.
Няма стрымеркі, напрыклад, толькі па Сімсам. То бок, і так, є дзяўчынкі, інадзі мы можам пастрыміць Сімсоў, но няма вось адной контент-креатаршы, якая толькі на Сімсах, толькі Сімсы, новыя апдейты, вось гэта ўсё абазрывае.
It reads joy to me.
Аріган, давай, Сімсы бяры і рабі. Або я не ведаю. Мабыць, ты фанат Call of Duty. Вось, Call of Duty. Нам трэбен стрімер, якой будзе стріміць кожны год Call of Duty. Кожны год новую. Ну і весь год працягвае стріміць яе. І все апдейты абазрівае. Warzone абазрівае. Выйшла новы апдейт у Warzone, вось адразу хачу зайсці на беларускі Twitch паглядзець.
Yeah, I was like, you have to go that way, plan like that.
There's so much stuff waiting for you down here. There's a lot more adventure left for DK.
Калі ўсё буду стрыміць, паглядзець
Can't wait to
будзе.
dive in.
А выснуліся аўдыторыя. Спачатку павінны быць стрымы. Мне здаецца, вось гэта немножка як пытанне яйка і куры. То бок, што была раней, кура або яйка? Вось то ж самае, што раней на гэтым на беларускам твічэ павінна быць. Стрымеры, якія стрымяць вось гэтай гульні, або гледачы. Но мне здаецца, гледачы не з'явяцца без вось гэтых стрымераў. То бок, спачатку павінны быць стрымеры. Так, я не пачула, што далей будзе за нашым гэтым рантам. Ну ладно. Но мне здаецца, яны не сказалі. Мне здаецца, яны такі, мы хутка павярнемся. І така, окей.
Атрымалі катастрофу.
Дзякуй, Зорка. Супер лайфхак. У меня максимально тупый ноут, я максимально стиплый, я не умею стримить. Для таких людей є візуальні новели. Для іх не патрэбны мощны комп. Вось. І, дарэчы, у нас няма стрымераў, які... Ну, є Эрика, яна стрыміць, ну, не толькі візуальныя навелы, больш і... Ну, іх яна таксама стрыміць, но і штось такое інды, вось гэта ўсё. Вось. Пайшоў я пёселя шпацыраваць. Так. Давай. Спадзяюсь, што не пройдзе зараз. Дарэчы, у нас жа яшчэ можна пачытаць пра Duskblood. Короче, мы только что дочитали про ивенты. Но ивенты не здараюцца ўвесь час, і я спадзяюсь, што вось гэты момант, калі вы будзеце бачыць новы івент, ён будзе даваць гульцам тое, каб зноў павярнуцца, каб паглядзець штосьці новае, што там яшчэ за івент можа здарыцца. Я прайшла без конца лета на ўсе ачыўкі гады 3 таму. Ну, так не толькі ж я без конца лета, я ж і іншыя візуальныя навелы. І усялякі маленькія, і вось гэта ўсё. Крыцей. Давайте, рабіце штосьці. Я не хачу адна тут ташыць на сябе всю Nintendo. Я хочу ведаць, што калі я не замагу, калі я захварэю, вось зараз хтосьці бы замест меня бы стрыміў гэты 4 гадзіны Nintendo. Я просто выхваляюся. Ну малайца. Можа так быццам тыя гульцы, якія звычайна не гуляюць у мультиплеернай гульні, таксама могуць асалоджвацца даскблодам. Ну і ім будзе цікава. Так, гэта была моя мэта. Я сам не вельмі люблю PvP мультиплеернай гульні, і я хацеў зрабіць штосьці, якое будзе падабацца нават такім гульцам, як я. Гэта патрэбна рупарам для маці. Ладно, там ваша размова. Ну, тым часам, як мэта матча ўсё ж такі атрымаць першую кроў, є і маленькія меты асабістыя для кожнага гульца, якія дазваляюць кожнаму штосьці атрымаць. Нават калі вы не перамаглі, не сталі апошнім гульцом у батл-раяле. Я спадзяюся, што гэтыя маленькія мэты дададуць энгейджмента, то бок вам будзе цікава за гэтага гуляць. Вось. Ну што, трэцяя старонка, ролі і розныя лёсы. А як яшчэ можна асалоджвацца гульнёй, толькі не за... Карацей, толькі змагаюць, або штосьці яшчэ можна? Толькі баёўка є, або штосьці яшчэ? Я разумею, Арігана, так. Не паслухоўваеце нашу... Всё, я нічога не бачыла, всё. Тое, што я люблю у кожнай гульне, якую я распрацоўваю, гэта залішаць маленькія фрагменты лора і дэталі гэтага свету, якія дазваляюць гульцам выкарыстоўваць сваю фантазію і правадзіць сувязі наконт таго, што здарылася ў гэтым свеце. Вось. І міфалогія, лор, вось гэта ўсё. Ну і Duskbloods гэта не выключэнне. Но дакладна, гэта не сінглплеерны тайтл, і тут мы па-іншаму немнога падышлі да гэтага. Фрагменты гісторыі зараз будуць знойдзены у прадметах кастамізацыі персанажаў, так што тут... Элден Ринга не будзе. Гэта ўсё. Гэта зараз апошняя гульня ў Mario Kart World і ўсё. Гэта іх вся ціма. Окей, кіберпанка не будзе. Я ўвогуле ішла пісаць навукоўку, апынулася тут. Мы все тут апынаемся. Ну вось. Ну, пасля гэтага я дачытаю яшчэ тут на стрыме гэты артыкул ад Міядзакі. Ад Міядзакі, якой, конечно же, малюе анімэ. Яму забрыдла ўжо маляваць анімэ, і ён пашоў рабіць гульні. Коровы wake up in the first of the month. Окей. Так. У Mario Kart можна гуляць за корову. Гульня года. Ну, глядзі, зато у цябе тут зараз матэрыял для твоей навуковай якой яскравай. Чаму людзі абіраюць кароў у гульнях? Чаму людзі хацяць стать коровами. М?
I am down for this.
my
Hit the
gosh.
blue shell. That's gonna take
Very
a lot of
early
y'all.
spiny shell.
We got this. All
Okay,
right.
this is pure chaos.
Hey, I'm
Well,
really-
yes.
I love it.
No, you do not drop that.
Okay. Come on, cow.
Oh, no.
Redemption. Redemption.
Nice
No.
play.
А, до 3 сторонок скрестить?
An appealing call.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, is that cranky?
Это так.
Tell him he owes me money.
Tell him we'll listen to his story later.
Тады хутка павінна ты гэта ўсё дарабіць.
Oh, you're all safe.
Don't clap yet.
I
There's
know.
so much
I know. That's
We're
very
dooming them
premature.
all.
Actually, feels a little early for that.
Oh no! Ow! I just got run over 5 times.
Ow.
All right, kid. Oh!
I had a red shell.
Give me that. All right.
Come on, Kendra, you got
Blood
this.
is pumping.
You got this.
Why are
It's
you
only
rooting
2
for her?
There's
Stick with the herd.
Just root for Cow, then no one gets hurt.
А, окей, зараз.
Remember, you gotta be 16th or better place.
Moo.
here.
Moo.
Gotta get moving.
Oh. Hey.
Don't make me remove you from the premises.
Sorry, folks, we're gonna be milking these jokes all day.
Man. Really? Oh my gosh. Really?
Окей, дзякую, Зорка. Окей, дзякую, Зорка, што прасвяшчаеш мяне, я паглядзела.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Дзякуй вялікі. Я не бачыла.
Oh, I need some coins in a big way, y'all.
Буду ведаць, вось.
Yeah, I do.
You got the points. Yeah, you got this. Look at that, 18. There's still.
All right, let's get big. Let's get big.
That's me.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my
Run them
gosh.
over.
Hang on to this.
Okay.
You're getting all the mushrooms.
I need them.
Yeah, everybody's safe. This is doing good now.
Where did Wario come from?
А нам. А у меня можно с посылки кидать?
Too ambitious.
Ой, упс.
Oh man.
А, тяжко буде скинуть.
No. No. Oh my god. Jeez. Oh my gosh.
Safe.
The blood is pumping. No. Good
Okay,
grief.
all right. We're fine.
No.
We're fine.
Oh my god. I am just getting really. I'm trying.
It's really rough when you're in the middle of the pack. So rough.
Moo.
О, я зараз скину.
Aggressive move, upset move.
Я знайшла у ТикТокі.
All right.
Okay, give me some good. All right. Come on.
Good use of the super mushrooms there.
Oh my gosh.
Boost mushrooms.
Okay. All right. We're with our people now.
Зараз.
No.
Oh.
Why?
Okay. All right.
How could anyone ever hurt Cow? Like, you know?
Right? Okay. Come on. Let's do this.
I'm
Come on,
scared.
we
I'm
got
scared of that. I'm scared.
Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right.
Так.
All right. All right.
Все, скопірую посилку.
I just keep saying it will be.
Oh no!
Працюєш?
Come on.
Угу. Секундочку.
Oh, please.
How is everyone just okay?
Эх, твич такой твич. Ось, тримайте.
Go, go, go.
No. Okay, that was really intense. I mean, now I'm sweating. The screaming was intense. And I'm crying a little bit.
Don't worry, we only have a little less than halfway to go.
Yeah, seriously, and I'm flat. Okay. All right.
Eighth or better now.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I'm feeling
No. Good
Still got
grief.
plenty of time.
All right.
Everybody's getting quiet now. as we're
I
playing.
know. It's like so intense. Intense.
Okay.
Congested highway.
Oh my
Okay,
gosh.
give me something good.
Yeah.
I need it.
That double. Nice recovery. Nice recovery.
Okay, all right.
Coins are for all.
This is looking great.
Yeah, everything's gonna fall apart when we get to the
I
circuit,
know. I'm
though.
like, don't even say it.
You're all doing really great right now.
Thank you, Sam.
Мгм. Ну все, это уже... А не уже, еще 2 секции. Ладно.
Okay, all right. This part.
Watch those turns.
I'm doing my best.
Такое кожний перший день місяця вихватують.
All right.
Ah,
Still got this.
Зрозуміло. Дякую.
okay. 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 No! No!
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Give me that! Oh my goodness. It is so intense.
Перший уже выбит был
Unreal.
кугулец.
Thanks. Blowing up Mario was my downfall. I should have known better.
No. Okay. Moo, moo. Moo, moo, moo.
I think Kendra's
Oh
got
my
the victim
gosh.
mindset.
That's the mantra here.
Winner's move. Oh my goodness. I know.
Really tricky.
Feel the tension. From
It's like coming. It's oozing. Oh no!
Recover. There you go.
Mario and I have been fighting.
Excuse me.
I know,
Brother
Wario.
Kendra.
He's such a jerk.
Kendra is battling Kendra right now.
It feels weird.
He's also battling Kendra.
Куди знову довідайся щось нове. Ну ось.
Oh, where'd you come from? Where'd you come from? We are
Good
still
game.
in
Good
this
game.
Well, me and you?
Yeah.
Okay, we got
Nice
this. We got
job.
this.
Nice
We got
job.
this.
Well race, well race, well race.
All right.
Угу.
Power cow. Who will it be?
Все, залишились 2 корови у гонки. Чекаємо, яка із їх переможе.
It looks like I'm in first place. All right.
Who else are we racing against? I haven't even seen who else.
I can't even tell you.
Yeah.
all right.
I'll
Just
take them.
focus.
Oh no. Oh no.
Coming up on it. No!
Oh no.
Nice.
Oh no.
That's okay.
You're right. You're right.
Ех, не отрималась. Ніхто першим не прийшов. Шиї всіх обіграв.
That fishbone was playing the long game. That fishbone was waiting quietly.
That was.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
You know what?
my
Second and third.
That's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Not bad. I'll take it.
goodness. I took second and third somehow. I don't know. Thank you for representing Demetrius. Yes. All right, everybody. Once again, that was Mario Kart World. We're going to be signing off. Thank you for everything.
Ну што, все. На гэтая трансляцыя скончваецца. Гэта вся каманда, якая рабіла гэты 2 дня для нас. І першую прэзентацыю. Чолік на Бобароса падобны. Так. Мы учора яшчэ гэта прыкмецілі. Так, ну што? Працягваем слухаць музыку і дачытваем, што там у Міядзакі. Лор, карацей, будзе напісаны ў прадметах кастамізацыі. Будзе іх старонка Blood History and Fate. Гісторыя гэтай крові і яе лёс. Кастамізацыя персанажа адчыне новую частку інфармацыі. Кастамізуе сваю персанажа, вы адчыняеце новыя часткі інфармацыі наконт света і гісторыі, якая там адбываецца. Вы кастамізуеце іх крывавую гісторыю і лёс? Так. Так, аналізуе і змяняе гісторыю крові персанажа і яго лёс дазваляе гульцам кастамізаваць розныя рэчы ад іх здольнасцей, тое, як яны выглядаюць, і ўнутраныя характарыстыкі, іх ролю ў свеце і адносіны з іншымі персанажамі. Мы фокусуемся на гэтых элементах і на канцэпцыях крові і крывавай гісторыі і лёсу. І гэта нам дазволіла больш глыбокае exploration, вывучэнне або перакладала же. Даследаванне, боже мой, больш глыбокае даследаванне і даследаванне кастамізацыі, вось. І гэта яшчэ адна прычына, чаму мы зрабілі Bloodthorn'ых пратаганістамі даследавання. Так, дзякуй, Зорка. Так. Мабыць, вы самі распавядзеце, што для вас цікавае ў гульне? Тое, аб чым я яшчэ не гаварыў, гэта ролі. Цікава, мабыць, гэта класы будзе як. У онлайн-матчах ролі даюць ігракам, гульцам спецыяльныя гэтыя, господі, спецыяльныя capabilities, спецыяльныя здольнасці. Респансабільнасці, божахна. Спецыяльныя адказнасці і мэты, якія часта прыводзяць да унікальных узаемадзеянняў і адносін паміж гульцамі на базе іх ролей. То бок, мне здаецца, будзе хіл, будзе як падтрымка, будзе там, мабыць, ДПС, танк, вось гэта ўсё. Магчыма, зараз гэта вельмі расплыўчата я вам распавёў, но давайте я вам зараз на прыкладзе прыклад распавяду. Но мы яшчэ ж не скончылі распрацоўваць гульню, так што нейкія імёны або яе дэталі могуць быць іншымі у фінальнай. Добрый дзень, прабачце, што спазніўся на урок англійскай. Вось, Люся, ты хацеў учора, каб мы перакладалі? Вось, мы перакладаем 3 старонкі інтэрв'ю Міядзакі. Вось. Якое наступнае анімэ ён нам нарысуе? Так, вось, напрыклад, у гульцаў можа быць роль Distant Rivals. Божахна. Вось Rivals — гэта тое слова, якое цяжка. Сапернікі, адзінае, што я магу прыдумаць, сапернікі гэтага лёсу. Мне Лил Зорка сказаў, што сёння ангельскай не будзе. I sorry, I'm late, трэба гаварыць. May I go out? А навошта тебе go out? Ты ж только пришёл. Не, нельга, не отпускаю в туалет. Карацей, є роль гэтых... Зноў забыла. Сапернікаў лёсу, або лёс сапернікаў, сапернічаства. Іншы гулец становіцца вашым сапернікам, і іх мэтай становіцца... яны павінны знайсці і перамагчы вас. Калі яны або вы яго пераможаце, гэта будзе... Тады ролі гэта не класы. Тады я памылілася. Ролі гэта проста як... Є івенты, а є дакладна мэты для кожнага персанажа. Як у мафіі, можна так сказаць. У мафіі там є мафія, є медсестра, є дэтэктыў. Вось тое ж самае. Бо гэта проста ваша мэта. Робячы, калі вы перамаглі свайго суперніка, вам налічаюцца ачкі, но яны асобныя ад ачкоў перамогі ў матчы, якія мы бачылі раней, пра якія мы чыталі раней. Катаванне help. Ты на беларускамоўным стрыме, цябе ніхто не дапаможа, Мэндрейк. Яшчэ адзін прыклад лёс кампаньёнаў, дзе адзін чалавек павінен знайсці другога, адзін гулец павінен знайсці другога гульца, якога гульня вызначыла як іх кампаньёна. У рэзультаце, калі яны знайдуць адзін аднаго, яны будуць узнагароджаны, і паміж імі будзе сувязь, бонд, сяброўства. І вы можаце выбіраць ролю у кастамізацыі крові, і гэта дазваляе гульцам асалоджвацца ролплеінг гульнёй па ралям у літаральным плане. І я спадзяюся, што гэта дадасць драмы гульне і ўзаемадзеяннем паміж гульцамі. Вось. Напрыклад, тое, як гульцы могуць абіраць свае ролі у настольных РПГ. Так, дакладна так. Гэта не прям было зроблена, не скупована з РПГ, но гэта адлюстроўвае і маю цікавасць, тое, што мае інтарэсы. Гэта можа дзіўна для вас гучаць, но я спадзяюся, што гульцы як мінімум паспрабуюць. І гэта нагадвае мне, а што там быў за пацук з крыламі ў трэйлере? Можаце распавесці, якая роля ў яго будзе у гульне? Гэта персанаж з падобнай роляй, як у гэтых кіпераў вагню у серыі Dark Souls. Яны залішаюцца, або ён залішыцца ў хабе і будзе дапамагаць гульцам з гэтымі саветамі і кіраваць на Так, вітаю всех, мы повернулись. Гэта ОБС, кажись, вылетело. Так, я ребутнула ОБС. Вітаю всех зноў. Ну, блин, лайно якось. Пробачте. Я не хочу гэтыя две часткі монтаваць. Ну ладно. Спадзяюсь, ніхто не сышоў. Алло, алло. Я тут. Ну вось, Яська, ты тут. Што, Зорка? Так, гэта для цябе. Я не ведаю, на чым мы спынілись, таму я зноў прачытаю пра гэтага пацука. Не показывали яшчэ, а ўжо ўсё скончылось. Не показывали. І не будуць паказваць. Працягваем чытаць пра гэты мультиплеерны Bloodborne, Duskbloods. За што? Ну, вось. Гэты крылаты пацук, гэта будзе NPC, якой будзе ў хабе, і яны будуць дапамагаць і накіроўваць гульцоў. І гэта боже, на Акіхіто. Не пугай мяне так. Не пужай. Папіла. Вось, і у гэтым персанажы яны хацелі зрабіць штосьці ў духе Nintendo, і персанаж, якой будзе вам дапамагаць, накіроўваць, і вось гэта ўсё, партнёр. А што вы маеце на ўвазе пад гэтым? Мы намагались зрабіць штосьці мілае. Мілае. From Software, мілае. Так, і таму яны выжгалі на нём, блин, ладно. Хаця я павінен сказаць, што гэты персанаж насамрэч стары джентльмен. Смеюцца. Мабыць, вы яшчэ штосьці хацеце напрыканцы сказаць? So cute, так. So demure. У дапаўненні у PvPvE тайт, у дапаўненні да стварэння гэтай гульні PvPvE мы намагались прадставіць многа новых і цікавых ідэй у Duskbloods, ад суперчалавечных здольнасцей до свабоднай баёўкі, геймплея, якой дынамічны і драматычны, якой будзе пасаваць гэтай романтызованай эстэтыкі Bloodborne. Глыбокая кастамізацыя персонажаў і фрагментарны сторітэлінг. Фрагментарная гісторыя. Я думаю, што будзе многа чаго, што вам спадабаецца у гэтым тайтле, у гэтай гульні, і спадзяюсь, што гульцы будуць яе чакаць. Дзякую за ваш час. Карацей, я зараз пущу трейлер і проста резюме зраблю гэтага артыкула, што я запомніла. Карацей, гэта Duskbloods. Ад From Software, распрацоўшчыкі Elden Ring, Dark Souls і Bloodborne. Гэта мультиплеерная гульня з уже вылучанымі персонажамі, то бок накшталт Overwatch, Marvel Rivals або Fortnite, но хутчэй як Fortnite нават, но якіх вы можете яшчэ і кастамізаваць пасля таго, як вы іх абралі. Вы можете іх змяняць, то бок у адзін матч пайшлі аднім персонажам, у іншы матч пайшлі другім персонажам. І так, гэта матчавая гульня. Тут будзе адзін вялікі хаб, і з гэтага хабу вы будзеце падарожнічаць у матчы. Кожны матч будзе ў розных лакацыях. Ну, вы можете, конечно, і ў адну і тую ж пайсці двойчы. Вось. І у гэтай матчы выглядаюць як батл раялі, то бок до апошняга гульца, якой будзе жыў. Вось. Но не, Overwatch просто по типу таго, што там ужо вызначаны персанажы, тут таксама ўжо вызначаны персанажы. Вось. Но якіх яшчэ можна будзе, як я сказала, кастамізаваць пад сябе. Вось. Падчас матчу будуць два тыпы матчы. Адзін, дзе вось як батл раяль, другой, дзе, напрыклад, трэба будзе заваліць боса всем гульцам. Вось. То бок розныя мэты будуць. Таксама падчас матчу будуць вялікія івенты, напрыклад, якая-небудзь луна будзе падаць з неба, і трэба будзе штосьці з гэтым всем рабіць. То бок не змагацца з адным з другім, вось як мы зараз бачылі гэтую луну, а, напрыклад, всем мачыць гэтую луну, каб яна всех не задавіла і не загубіла, а потым ужо, калі яе замачылі, павяртаемся да звычайнага батл-раялю. І яшчэ падчас гульні будзе выдавацца такія міні-таскі. Напрыклад, у залежнасці ад таго, што вы абярэце. Калі вы абіраеце сябе, напрыклад, каб цябе падчас матчы давалі ворага, як это? Райвала, твайго супраціўніка, то тады і ты, і абераце яшчэ адзін гулец у матчы, якой таксама хоча змагацца, і за тое, што вы заб'ёце, либо вас заб'юць, либо вы яго заб'ёце, вам будзе нагарода, або яму. Вось. Або вы можете абраць шлях сяброўства, і тады вам вызначыцца сябар, з якога вы павінны знайсці на мапе, каб атрымаць гэтую нагароду. Вось. Як так. Таксама будзе вось гэты фрагментарны лор, як звычайна у гульнях From Software, но тут ён будзе у асноўным у гэтых. У асноўным яго трэба будзе чытаць у прадметах гэтай кастамізацыі. Вось. І чым больш вы будзеце паляпшаць зброю, напрыклад, тым больш у вас будзе лора. Вось. І таксама там штосьці было ў інтэрв'ю наконт стасункаў, то бок тое, як вы абгрэдзіце персанажа, яшчэ і штосьці на стасункі влияе, там штосьці крававы лёс. Вось. Ну, гэта толькі мультиплеерная гульня. Вось. Як-то так, будуць саманы, прызыванні, то бок калі вам цяжка аднаму змагацца, вы можете, як у Elden Ring, засаманіць духа, або, мабыць, тут гэта не духі, а па-іншаму, таму што тут такая эстэтыка вампірская, но больш романтычная вампірская. Вось. Ну і все іграбельныя персанажы належаць да касты Бладсворнаў. Вось. Штосьці падобнае на вампіраў, но немного па-іншаму. Вось. Ну і кроў тут таксама не прям не дакладна кроў, а немного такая нават метафізічная кроў. Вось. О, стрим онлайн. Так, Мэндрык, я тут уже распавядаю колькі 10 хвілін пра тое, што мы вычыталі. Вось. Ну і на гэтым, я думаю, ўсё. Вось. Elden Ring мы, на жаль, не пабачылі сёння. Гэтага Кіберпанка таксама, но праз 2 месяцы пабачым. Ну, Elden Ring не сказалі дату рэлізу, а Кіберпанк праз 2 месяцы са свічом другім выйдзе. Вось. Як-то так. Ну і мы не пабачылі Silksong таксама, што сумна для мяне. Мэты стрыма не былі выкананымі. Ні Elden Ring, ні Silksong, якія выходзяць у гэтым годзе. Як нам гаворыць Nintendo. Вось як-то так. Ну што? Зусім яны ўжо. Так? Так. Зараз пойдемо у рейд. Хто тут залишився? Тиць. Пойдем. Все. Дякую за стрим, Яська. Так, до побачення. Так. Чим би скончить? О. Є. Ось так ось буде. Бай-бай, Мендрик. Вайбік і так далі. Приходьте ще. Ось так. Ой. У меня ж тут є целый... Угу. Ось. Ось так. Так, все, давайте. Папа.
Murabanu and Zikuis off Allah.